The time has come. Yes. Yes, I'm wearing shades. And the reason why is, if you haven't been to an NFP stream before, you'll understand. You'll understand. Welcome in, friends. I may or may not have 200k accounts over here for this NFP stream. I may or may not have two $100,000 accounts for this NFP stream. What's happening YouTube? What's happening TikTok? So I'll let God be the witness. I don't know why I said that, but yeah. Yeah, it's all over. If anyone was here last NFP stream, it ended in absolute disaster. So we can try to redeem ourselves today. But that's all you can really do is try. D Banks, what up, what up, what up? I might take a few trades in the lead up. You can see over here I've got two fresh accounts. They may or may not have buy or sell labeled on them, so I don't mix it up. But welcome to the casino. Another 4-hour stream. Oh, shit the bed, man. I think it's going to be 3 bangers, 3 hours. I don't know. So we'll see if we catch a few trades in the lead up here. I'm up a freaking quite a lot on all my accounts here today. So I won't be trading my real account, my funded accounts, but looking fresh with those sunglasses. These sunglasses, so if anyone's played poker, you know, like the high level poker players wear glasses and shit, because I can't let you see my emotions as I participate in non-farm payroll. Right? I can't let you see anything. Let's have a look here. What's this? What's this level here? Casino banger. I mean, I'm a bit confused with like what's going on here. That's the issue. Mom can't Oh, is there an activation fee for Bullinox? Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm also giving away 5 prop firm accounts on this stream. Throughout the stream, I'll be giving away 5 prop firm accounts with the prop firm that I'm currently representing called Prop XP. Futures prop firm over here. I do have a 20% off discount in my YouTube description if anyone wants a 20% discount off any of their accounts, but I'll be giving away 5 accounts with them guys throughout this stream. So make sure you don't leave the stream. Please don't leave. And you could pretty easily catch a free account over here. But yeah, we'll see if we can get a couple trades here in the lead up to NFP. Like I would, if I do it, I'm only doing it because I've got fresh accounts. Anything I do today, you must not do. This isn't a normal stream. Okay? I have to preference that 1,000 times today because people will still do it. And I'm like, bro, this isn't normal. This is an NFP stream. We move different in NFP. Shit's different now, son. Shit's different now. We wear glasses NFP, we hide all emotions, and we just fire on all cylinders, really. I lost 41k last NFP stream. Brother, why are you trading with $41,000 on high impact, volatile, unpredictable news events? Holy shit, man. When was that volume? It was big moves last night, wasn't there? Holy shit, man. NQ broke above this level right now, I guess. I mean, what's the probability of NQ moving up here? There's only one way to find out. See if I put a bit on the... See if I can put a bit on these accounts I'm going to be trading with for NFP. Wait, I got a preference. Do not do anything I do today, you guys. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm literally not joking. You have a good account on TikTok? Thank you. Today's for entertainment purposes only, specifically. When NFP comes around, I'll take it serious, but that's even still joking because I got 2 fresh accounts just for this stream alone. I need redemption. Last NFP stream, I blew I blew up 2 100k accounts. And today, I got murder on my mind. Right? Yeah, my real accounts, I'm up at 1.5k for the day on my actual funded accounts. These aren't funded accounts that I'm trading with. Dub trade. No, don't start with this, bro. Guys, we can't be starting with the dub trades on like trades that are just literally casino trades. What's current bias? Depends on what pair you mean. I mean, the bias on gold, obviously we're moving down, but we're moving through a lot of chop. And I've got to be honest with you guys, if you're seriously taking trades from now till NFP, you really need a slap on top of the head because you're going to get... I don't know if anyone's ever tried to trade before high impact news. It's not it, especially NFP. You get chopped up for days. You get chop sueyed, so, you know, don't be that guy, pal. Don't be that guy, pal. Are you real? No. No. I was sent here from... I am Terminator. I was sent here from the future to do whatever Terminator does or something like that. Has your fast finished? Yeah. I did a 2-day. I did it 2 days, so I finished up today. I couldn't do 3. I underestimated it. I really did. I did a 2-day fast. One of the days was without water as well. And I learned a lot though. I actually did learn a lot. I understand why I was called to do it now. I get it. I learned a lot. And I am going to do it again soon, but it made me realize a lot of things about gut health, and it really, yeah, I understand why I did it now. I took a lot of lessons out of it, but I am going to do it again soon, but this time be more prepared. I got murder on my mind. 2 days is amazing. Thank you, bro. Yeah, 2 bangers. I've been getting messages from you from various accounts. Ooh, do you think it was me, or could it have possibly been some dude in some weird room with maybe a sketchy computer setup? You're like, yeah, let me see what I can do. There's only really 2 options. Can't see a profit or price today, bro? Yeah, you can. On YouTube, what do you mean? Look at the top. You can literally see it. Oh, I see what you mean. You can see my profit, but you can't see price. But here, I'll move price over for you. Yeah, good one. Good call. But yeah, I don't know. Are you guys, any of you guys genuinely trying to trade here prior to NFP? Like I'm literally, yes, I'm casinoing NFP with 2 100k accounts, but you know, today's just a fun day. Today's an entertainment stream. Any trades I do take, I don't suggest you do as well. So yeah, that's my disclaimer. I really want to know if you've been DMing me, please. Well, is it this account, Joke? Is it this account? That's the only question you need to know. And you guys are going to be giving away 5 prop firm accounts on this stream as well. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Random picks and shit like that. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to figure it out. So we shouldn't copy your NFP trade. Not only you shouldn't, you definitely shouldn't. Like it's, you don't, no. What do we need to do? Pick me. It's going to be random, and I don't know how I'm going to randomly do it, but it's definitely, yeah, I'll tell you more as we go on a little bit here. And anyone that's asking about glasses are a necessary component of NFP day. I don't make the rules. Well, I guess I did in that one, but looking like a cast member from outside. What the fuck is Outsiders? Outsiders show. Or is it a show or is it? There's like this Viking dudes, or there's like these zesty dudes. Do you mean these zesty dudes? I hope not. I'd rather. Can I go with the like Viking dudes? I'd much rather that than that. So I'll just say that you meant I'm a Viking. I'll take it. Surely to the most thumbs up. Wait, you can only thumbs up a YouTube video once. All right. A Viking with glasses, exactly. I blew my life funded today by... Oh, yeah, S. Brother. Yeah. Like I said, there's some physical barriers you can put in place, but the biggest thing is just... Yeah, you know what you did, bro. You know what you did. Use the pain as a... Oh, no. Let's make billions. Even I was watching the Trump and Elon thing today, and even Trump was still spitting billions and billions bars. Damn, I need a revenge trade to get this money back now. What's like the worst trade I could take in this scenario right here? If it's broke below this level but rejected up, I feel like there's a probability this could flip back down and fill this range. So because of that, I'm going to take a buy. Because I think there's a lower probability that it's going to flip down. I mean, a lower probability that it's going to continue up here. And because of that, I'm going to take a buy. Just to double check that I know everything. I'm trying to lose on purpose just to confirm that I'm a market wizard. Giveaway criteria, genius analysis. Thank you. I'm really hoping this tags me out so I can just confirm that I know exactly what's happening. Yeah, I got to figure out the criteria for the giveaway, to be honest, because it's obviously got to be random. I think I've got a couple of things in mind. I hope this trade works out, Dan. I just full ported. No, bro. You guys, I have to preference again. Don't do anything I do here today. Please. Like, it's really important that you don't. Yeah, when I get to 100 likes on YouTube, I'll do the first giveaway. We're at 40 likes right now. When I get to 100, I'll do the first giveaway. Love the idea of tonight. It's like eating well and exercise. Yeah, it's just a bit of fun. NFP, it comes around once a month. Just a bit of fun. Anything here today is just for entertainment purposes only, you guys. But I will be trading real accounts when NFP hits. Or not real accounts, real challenge accounts. I'll try and... Yes! Yes! I'm fucking right! Told you guys! My analysis is impeccable. Thank you. Thank me. Sometimes you have to use real profits just to prove your point. Will the giveaway be on YouTube? Yeah, it'll be on the YouTube side. I'm live on YouTube right now, you guys, on TikTok. All right, let's... Well, this candle's about to close. I need to get some profits back, so I'm going to drop a... I'm going to put a sell stop here. What's the confirmation before taking a trade? Just try to think of the worst possible trade you could take, and then just do that. Give away your glasses too. Never. These are like a very important component of blowing up all your accounts on NFP day. Impeccable with the chicken. That's exactly. Impeccable with that actual chicken. Peck, peck, peck. Chad version of David Beck. What's a YouTube handle? It's the exact same name as my TikTok name. If you were to type that into YouTube, you'll see that I'm live right now over there. So, oh my God, I'm about to get triggered in here. Trigonometry over here. Look at this 1 hour candle. Holy 1 hour candle. It's already dropped 100 pips. I could get billions. I got all... Hey, then your code for Bullinox not working? There is no code for Bullinox. There is no code for Bullinox. What are you wearing? This is my NFP costume. Anyone that's new here, this is an NFP stream for entertainment purposes only. Anything I do today is just for entertainment. My first payout on my funded. What Rolex do you recommend? Bro, don't even think about money. Don't even think about... I said this the other day on my story. Once you start making money in the markets, do not spend it on dumb shit. Just keep making money. Keep proving to yourself, because you're going to go up and down in terms of profits. Daniel's the best stream trader out there. Yeah, especially with this type. Now, like I said, today's just entertainment. Don't take any of the trades I take today, you guys. Like, unless you want to lose money, that's entirely up to you. Don't do anything I'm doing today. I might play with buy stops and sell stops when news actually hits, but for now, I'm just playing around. Took a trade to blow an account yesterday because it was 100 from getting blown, ended up coming back to break even. Yeah, that's not a bad idea, honestly. There's no point like trying to crawl your way out of it if you've got 100 left. So, demo account? Nah, it's a challenge account, 100K. Yeah, I'll be participating with 2 challenge accounts with when NFP hits and seeing if I can get redemption from last time, because last NFP, which was a month ago, I blew 2 100K accounts, and today I'm coming back for revenge. And if there's one thing that works well in trading is revenge trading. So that's what I'll be doing today. Blew 2 accounts today, still not giving up. Brother, put 7 zeros on the end of that, and that's how many I've blown. I finally made it through the other side. So don't give up just after that. Because the reality is the 2 accounts he blew were actually like, what, $50 or whatever, how much the account was. So... Oh, wow, look at my thing just nearly got hit then by like a couple pips here. My thing nearly got hit by a couple pips. I got all your love. What actually would I benefit from your guest live? From today, nothing except entertainment. But typically when we trade in throughout the week, we trade like real accounts and in a professional manner. Today's just a bit of fun. It comes around once a month, NFP. So I might see if I can pass one of these 100K accounts. I might see if I can pass one of these 100K accounts on NFP when the news event hits. Just so you guys know, if you go to forexfactory.com, you'll see here, non-farm payroll. For me, that hits at 10:30 p.m. Really, really big news event. You mentor beginners? Yes, sir. Made it here from TikTok. Nice. Thank you, Toledo. Yeah, just having a bit of fun here on NFP. It's an entertainment stream. Did you have any problems with your website yesterday? Damn it, I think I do. I think I did. Oh no, she's all right. This is danielholmestrades.com, you guys, is where anyone that wants to actually inquire about the mentorship. But no, it's all good. Yeah, these are challenge accounts. My real accounts are fucking 81, 81, 81, 640. Bro, what's your YouTube channel? It's the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. Rejecting yesterday's close price. Yeah, bro, this isn't even a serious trade. Like, I'll have to keep preferencing it throughout the stream, but anything I do today is literally just casino shit. Like, it's fine. Have you ever been to New Zealand? No, but I would like to go to New Zealand at some point. Is a giveaway on YouTube? Yeah, the giveaway will be on YouTube, not TikTok. London session for me starts at 5 p.m. Bro, miss your TP by 5. Yeah, what the frick, man? You really gonna do me like that, Gold? Damn, that was a pretty big move, right? 32 pips, wow. Oh no. All right, if you want to do what I'm doing with the news, that's entirely up to you. But if you decide to, you know, do what I'm probably going to do with the news, which is a buy and a sell just for a bit of fun, make sure you don't care about losing the accounts. Like, there's an extraordinarily high probability that I'll blow both of them when that news event hits. It's just fun. It's just a bit of entertainment. How do you buy accounts that are like 100 or 200 live accounts? I've been trading on. It's called prop firms. Vang or whatever your name is. Voon. It's called prop firms. Just Google it. Look into it a bit more. You live in Australia? Yeah. Yeah, the people that are complaining about not trading every second, yeah, they're only frothing. Does your mentorship include a new course? As I got the old Whoop course, it said 3-day trial. It depends how old it was, but yeah, the new course. But I don't even like, course is just the first component of it. The mentorship is a mentorship. It's you working with me directly to get you to where you need to be. It's not, I'm not selling a course, I'm selling a mentorship. So I'm mentoring you. Edic, oh man, I can't say that G word, but if you want to, but make sure you don't lose anything you're okay with losing. Can you teach me a strategy? I'm here. How to grow a 5K two-step account. How many trading days? Wait, what? You just grow it by trading it. Yeah, I'm in Australia. What do you think about NFP? What do I think, buy or sell? I don't know. That's why I'm going to press both. That's why I'm going to press both on two different accounts. I have two 100K accounts here, literally labeled buy, sell. It doesn't get any more complicated than that. Do you have a Fibonacci license like trading pool? What? Oh, a financial license. Oh, what do you mean a financial license? What does that even mean? There's no such thing. I don't know what you mean, Adam, in terms of old course, but it's more than 1,000, brother. Crazy how people can't tell the difference between education and a course. Yeah, I know. Yeah, most traders and that just offer a course content, but I don't know if I'll offer mentorship forever. Like, I'm only doing it now because I actually can. You know, once we just start capping it to a certain amount of people, and that's it, I'll just work with a few people to try and make sure everyone like really excels. Like, a lot of people are in there and they still don't book one-on-ones. I'm like, what are you guys doing? Like, let me help you. That's what we're here for. Jay, the answer is yes. The answer is yes to that. This isn't a strategy, bro. This is just casino. You'll see my real strategy when NFP, about 3 seconds before NFP news hits, you'll see my real strategy. I've got all my licenses for Dubai, don't you worry about that. And there's no such thing as a financial influencer. Nah, Bullinox don't care about that. Bullinox do not care about that. Selling mentorship with terrible discipline is crazy. Bro, how is this terrible discipline? I'm literally full margin in NFP. That's impeccable discipline. The hell are you on about, dude? How do I join your mentorship, brother? There's all the links in all my bios and things like that. For those that are serious. Again, anyone new here, this is just for entertainment today. This is NFP, non-farm payroll. High impact news happens once a month. Once a month. And last month I did it. Full margin. 2 $100,000 accounts. Blew them both up. So today I'm back. And I'm back with a vengeance. I'm back with a vengeance. I made mistakes last time. I believe. Mistakes that I can correct this time. High school jealousy, yeah. I full ported this trade, bro. No. No. Can you mentor me at my house? Yeah, but it'll probably cost you 10 grand a day. Blue 9 accounts today having a... Levski! Levi... Wait, is that you, Levski? Leaving? Bro. You don't blow accounts on NFP day before NFP. You blow them on NFP. Right in the jacket. Thank you, brother. Did you sign up for a prenup when you were married? That wasn't a real marriage, bro. Looks like an American bully. Oh, legit, hey. Grease, lightning. Thank you, Amanda. This is how I dress for NFP. It's to hide my emotions when I blow up all my accounts. That's all. Oh, you're joking. Fuck. Can you see clearly with the glasses? Not only can I see clearly, I can see through the market. I see the next moves happening. Yeah. Billions and billions. If you guys want to know when the news event hits, you just go to forexfactory.com and you'll see down the bottom here, non-farm payroll. Expecting price to disrespect the FBG. Oh, an NQ. Yeah, you can't see when I'm crying. That's exactly right. Big Mitch, what up, cousin? Entertainment stream only. Giveaway time. Let's have a look. Bro, we're not even at 100 likes. I'll do the first giveaway at 100 likes. Yeah, I can see the ones and zeros coming down the chart. What's NQ doing? But yeah, you guys, if you're seriously looking to trade, like seriously with an account that you would actually care if the trade loses, like very bad idea, man. Pre-NFP is a bad idea. Pre-NFP is a bad idea. Oh, that's a 1 hour closure, is it? Our funded account's free. Bro. Cost of living is less in Dubai than Australia, and the quality of living is a lot better. Yeah, I probably agree. That's why I'm moving there. Graph scared of NFP? Probably. I don't know if other people can tag other people on YouTube. I think you can. You should be able to. Yeah, look, you can. We're coincidentally in the same trade. No, bro, these trades, none of these trades are real. This is literally bad trade, naughty trade. It's just for a bit of fun. God damn it. I might have to buy another account at this rate. Your prediction on FP? I think it's going to go up or down. That's why I'm going to press buy and sell, see which one works. How you choose a giveaway winner? Yeah, I have to figure that out as well. Another stop loss? Yeah, I know. It's going really good. This is why when you trade, I'm trying to use reverse psychology on the market and do like the worst trades possible to see if it works out. And it's proving me even more right that it doesn't work out. You can see what ticker this is. MGC. $100 likes, really? Wow, 101. Huh. 101 likes. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna have to do a giveaway. Looks like we might have to do a giveaway. Oh, this is a new 4-hour candle opening on futures. All right, let me flip a coin. This means buy, this means sell. Sell. All right, how are we going to do this giveaway? I actually don't know how to do it. Like how am I going to make it random? How am I going to make it random? What I might do. I might like get everyone in the YouTube chat to kind of just leave a dub and I'll just randomly pick some. No. Random comment selector? What even is that? Is that a thing that you can do? Yeah, what I might do is get people to spam dubs and then I'll pull up the stream on my phone and just scroll through and quickly pick someone. But I'll tell you when. Not yet. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm about to do a giveaway on my YouTube channel, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live there right now and I'm going to pick someone in the YouTube chat. And you don't get picked unless you subscribe to the channel as well. I need to make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't do dubs yet, you guys. Don't do dubs yet. Subscribe to the channel first. Bro, stop doing W's! Not yet! Oh my god, bro. No W's yet! Wow, this is unbelievable. Why is everyone spamming W's? Reverse psychology. I need to do what I'm doing in the market. Spam W's. Spam W's. Reverse psychology, mother. It's not stopping, bro. It's not stopping. This is just stupid, man. You guys, I'm not doing it yet. Please stop. This is insane. All right, this plan doesn't work. This is too crazy. I need to just ban everyone or something. All right, just stop. Let me really think here. All right, you guys on TikTok, come over to the YouTube stream. I'm about to do a giveaway. Type Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube and I'm giving away a free account right now. So make sure you jump over to YouTube right now. I'll give you guys like 20 seconds to come over. But you have to be subscribed. If you're not subscribed, then you just won't win. It's that simple. First thing I'll be doing on my phone is clicking your account and make sure you're subscribed. This is gold. This is gold. Oh no, my TikTok live just got suspended. Frauds and scams. Fucking TikTok. So shit, bro. Alright, you guys, throw some dubs to the chat. I'll pick someone now, I guess. Holy fuck, man. Someone now, whoa. I guess. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes. 3, 2, 1. Let me scroll a couple times up and down. Scroll a couple times up and down. Scroll. First name I just recognize and see. Boom! Hoodie RB. Hoodie RB. Hoodie RB. Alright, you can stop. Hoodie RB, you win the first account. Hoodie RB wins the first account. Hoodie RB wins the first account. Let me write this down because I'll contact you after. You guys stop now. Hoodie RB first account. Fire. Okay, guys, stop spamming W's now. It's over. We'll just wait a little bit and we'll do another one. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna think of another plan next time. I gotta think of another plan this next time. Chat has turned into a Twitch chat. Yeah, legit. Oh, fuck. That's wild stuff. Hoodie RB wins the first account. Let me do a thing here. GG's. All right. Guys, please stop spamming W's. I'm literally gonna explode. The only person that should be spamming W is Hoodie RB. So we've got 4 more accounts to give away. We will do it in a minute. We'll do it shortly. Someone say Discord. Anyone that wants to join the Discord here, I'll leave a link. Free Discord link here, you guys. I'm going to pin it in the chat. Free Discord link pinned in the chat. TikTok just banned me. They're fucking annoying, bro. So fucking annoying, TikTok. So annoying. It's like, bro. I'll submit an appeal. I'll submit an appeal, I guess. Can I please have a second? It's a random giveaway. I can't just like pick people. I need a win to get a kangaroo. Yeah, next one we'll do it in the Discord or something. We'll get you guys to join the Discord and do it in there. Maybe, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe we'll do it at 150 or 200 likes on the stream. Did you report it to TikTok? Yeah, I just submitted an appeal to TikTok then, but it's very rare that they accept it. How does a giveaway work? I just say something in terms of you guys do this, and then I'll randomly pick someone. It's a random pick. Check premium Discord. Let's have a look. Oh, look, someone to submit a prize. Oh, there's a random YouTube picker. Okay, I'll do that next time, maybe. Chat selector. Maybe we'll have to do this next time. Add to Chrome. We'll see. Ask person your age, first job. Yeah, we'll see. We'll figure something out. See if this YouTube picker thing is good. See if this YouTube picker thing is good. Fucking TikTok, man. They just shut me down. It was just starting to pick up a lot. Yeah, but if I say pick a number, the chat's just going to get absolutely spammed with so many fucking numbers, bro. Very first YouTube last night made me laugh when you said, I wonder what the future holds. I'd love it if I got 2 views. Lol, a year, look back. That's crazy, Nate. Is that really what I said? Yeah, I had like no one for like a couple months. Very loud, he said, I wonder what the future holds. I'd love it if I got like 2 views. That's so funny, hey. Yeah, that's so cool. Hoodie was the winner. Someone of your day one watches. Yeah, but then that I like that idea, but at the same time, then it's unfair to all the other people that join the stream. To avoid TikTok Dan, maybe put a small... Nah, I've tried everything. Trust me, I've been using TikTok for over a year now. I've had one account completely shut down. I know the game very well, and I know that there's nothing you can do about it. Like, it's completely random. Sometimes you can beat the appeal, and it's very... Like, when I'm saying things, it listens to your wording a lot. So, like, doing giveaways and stuff is pretty risky, actually. It gets misconstrued a lot. That's probably what it was. Unfortunately. Yeah, it's unfortunate. What the hell is gold up to? But yeah, so I've got 200k accounts here for FP. Looking for redemption. Looking for my redemption arc from last NFP where they both exploded. And we'll see if that can happen. Billions and trillions. Let's see if I can have a redemption arc. I trade funded accounts, Nick, so it's a bit different. It doesn't really work like that. It doesn't really work like that, my dude. Yeah, link for the free Discord in the chat as well, you guys, if anyone wants to join the Discord. Community. Wow. But how do you get people's names in here? That's pretty fucking cool. I wonder how you get people's names in here though. If I like, maybe if I post this into the YouTube chat, can you guys add your name to that list? Oh, Hossein, you want to be a mod? Yeah, come join the Discord, bro. Join the Discord and DM me. If anyone knows this, message me in Discord if I can send you guys a link to add your name in, then we can do it like this. That's a good idea. The Discord link's pinned in the chat. That's a good idea. Yeah, again, guys, this is just an entertainment stream. NFP happens once a month. And that's it. I can't believe I won. Yeah, awesome. Good on you. Surely there's a way to share it so people can edit. If you continue to create a public link on the current wheel includes all names, colors, and settings, this link will work for anyone that you share it with. Sweet. Anyone with the link can spin the wheel. Anyone with the link can... Anyone with the link... Damn it. That means you guys are going to spin it. I'm going to send you this. Can find this wheel. I'm going to send you guys this link. And see if you can add your name into it. This could be a really bad idea, but we'll see. Here you guys, here you guys go. I'll pin it as well. Replace pin. Let's see if this starts to do shit. Let's see if shit starts to happen here. No, doesn't seem like it's doing anything. I don't know. I don't know. If anyone knows, let me know. Doesn't let us add a name. Interesting. I added my name to it, but it doesn't look like it showed. Oh. Use the other tool? What other tool? Yeah, right, I added my name on the Discord, but it's not showing this. Andrew, if you can message me in the Discord to tell me what you're trying to say. Here's Discord link again. Anyone that wants to join. They tried to see. At least I can say the word gamble now out loud. Now that I'm not on TikTok, that's one benefit. I can say the word fucking gamble. My gamble trade's really working out here. Why are you so cool? I'm not. I'm a loser, trust. Kahoot link? What the hell is that? Put on the wheel 100 name random and send the link to us who take the name in. Nah, it's too difficult. The fuck's a Kahoot link? Kahoot? Too difficult already. What position you in right now? I don't know, but don't do it. This is just a gamble stream. This is the casino stream. NFP. High impact news happens once a month. Just have fun with it sometimes when it comes around. That's all. Yeah, looks like no one knows. This mustn't be it. Nah, this is the Bullinox accounts. These are Bullinox accounts. Come on, Trump and Elon, say something to each other. It doesn't. It's still the same names. What's to go with Trump and Elon? I guess they're just fighting. They're like two rich boys just fighting whoever's about who's richer and cooler. Nah, I don't know. I don't know what if it works like that. I do feel like Elon's a little sook though. I feel like anytime anyone ever says anything to him, he has the biggest tantrum. Like, did you see how he got called out? He tried to say he was like the number 3 you know, Dungeons and Dragons or whatever player in the world, and it's like, nah, he wasn't. He's just paying people to play it for him and get his account all the way up. And it's like, why lie about that? And then when he got called out, he tried to like, I don't know. I think that's weird. To be like the number 3 player in like the most popular game on planet Earth means you have to literally spend a tremendous amount of time on the game. It's like, bro, you're running multiple companies. You can't do that. Thank you, just creeping its way up. I've never won a giveaway in the last 3 years. Bro, how many giveaways are you entering? Why? What is it? What is it, Deleter? What's the link? What actually is it though? No, I can't see the specific list. Billions and billions. Full send platinum, 0% of chance of losing? Really? Wow, 0%. Can you trade and use the funded? Yeah. I've got 2 100k accounts that I'm going to trade NFP with for a bit of fun. Someone's got to do it. Someone's got to do it, bro. Ask chat for bias. No, I flipped this trade here. I flipped a coin. I flipped a coin. So far it's more successful than ChatGPT. Check Discord. Added names. Why can't I chat on the live? That's weird. Maybe you need to be followed or something. Maybe you need to be subscribed. That's weird. Or you have to be logged into an actual YouTube Google account. Oh, wow. Look at this. Toledo added some names in here. Oh. Wait, I don't want to do this. Toledo, there's too many people to add. There's just too many to add. Wow, that's amazing. But there's just, I feel like there's too many to add, right? It nearly landed on your name. Toledo, yeah. There's going to be too many to add. That is amazing. I do appreciate that though. But maybe... Alright, I'm going to do one from this list that Toledo made. Let's see, let's see. Hoodie RB again? No, Shorts. Is it? Yeah, Shorts. Is there someone in here named Shorts? Shorts, look, Shorts right there. Shorts, you win. Alright, we won't do any more like this because it's going to take too long to add. But Shorts just won the second account. Let me write that here. Shorts, that's you, bro. Or girl. Nice job, Toledo. Alright, let me add that here. Shorts won the second account. Beautiful. Shorts for the dub. Shorts and hoodie. Crushing the game over here. Nice. Nice Shorts. GG's. Look at this guy, bro. That was me. Bro, it wasn't you. It was Shorts. We're looking at Shorts right now. Shorts is crushing it over here. Let's just make someone really sad and just see what the next person's name it lands on. No, this is really mean. I'm not going to do that. That's actually mean. I know no one's... We won't do that method again. It's too much to add people in, but dub for Shorts. Give one to whoever made the list. Yeah, that's a good point. Toledo, you win a new challenge account. I'll message you after. Toledo's in the mentorship, so dub to Toledo. Yep. W Shorts, hoodie, Toledo. Bro, I need to win one. Pleasure is mine. You're going to be using the same strategy for last NFP? Yes, but this time I'm going to do it properly. I'm glad you remember. I'm glad you remember. I want redemption. I'm on my redemption arc. Yeah, I might as well move to BE here. I don't want to have to lose any more money before NFP. Billions and billions. Billions of accounts given away. This is gold. We'll give the next account when we get to 200 likes over here. 200 likes in this stream chat. Damn, on that late night grind. Damn, so it's like that was me. What was you? Oh, you seen one of the things hit your name as a test. Oh, I'm sorry. That's just mean. Sorry, I can't. We'll wait a little bit. You want to know who won? Hoodie, shorts, and Toledo. I won on the spin. What do I do next? I'm tired. Bro, what? You didn't win on the spin? Billions. I just made 7K in crypto. Nice. What's Bitcoin doing right now? Wow, it crawled its way all the way back up. Crazy. Yeah, gold's probably just going to consolidate now. Last one, few names and so disappointed. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I see. How do you plan on picking the last two? I actually have no idea. I have no idea. I'll figure it out. We'll think of something. Check Tesla. Oh, man. God damn it. I'm in freaking NFP mode. Yeah, the random YouTube comment thing. Yeah, I suppose that's probably the best method, right? It said I added it to Chrome. Where does it show added things? Extensions. Oh my god, what did I just do? This is just so stupid. What the fuck is going on? Please, I need the account. Yeah, we'll figure out something to do at random. Let's do the next giveaway. Wow. Wow. Yeah, we'll do the next giveaway at 200 likes. Slither that like button, gang. And yes, today's an entertainment stream, but usually every day we trade the London session live on the actual funded accounts. So if you want to join the actual live stream every day, make sure you drop a subscribe. Make sure you drop a subscribe, my friends. Every day to this day. That's right. Glasses come on for NFP. I have to hide my tears when the account blows up. I have to hide my tears when the account blows up. Because the reality is that although I'm on stream, people don't realize I've been streaming.
You said that your people have been fighting for 400 years.
Man, your people's too.
So I just want you to explain what you mean by that.
You know what I'm talking about. Y'all all know what I'm talking about, man. Don't sit up here and try to bait and not know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what the I talk about when I say these things. Your people too.
Explain it. Not everybody knows what you're talking about.
Radio Raheem, I don't have to explain what's understood, man.
It's coming.
You know what I mean by
It's
that.
coming.
You know what I said.
It's coming.
By that. I ain't gotta go further. And if anybody don't understand that, then
It's
God
coming.
be with them. Go look up the history. Go look up the history. Don't everybody believe in Google? Go Google that.
It's coming.
See what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about,
it's getting
man.
serious now.
You know what I dare you to sit up there
shit.
and say, explain. You know what I'm talking about, man. He's fighting people. You know we've been fighting 400 and still fighting to this day. To this day. To this day. You just see.
I've been streaming every single day. Every day. So I'm going to do an NFP. I'm going to click buy and sell on 2 100k accounts. Yeah. Billions. Bro, are you high? High on life. Yes. NFP going full margin? Might have to. Need billions of likes, exactly. I mean, where we're at on gold, it's... Holy! Look at this! $17.99 funded, gifted account over here. I'm sending money for funded account. Now send me the account. Bro, you can't buy your way to the top. Shit, I didn't even comprehend this type of manipulation. You can't buy your way to the top, I don't think. Can you buy your way to the top, chat? Got to give him the account now, bro. Market manipulation, yeah. Pay to win, yeah. Nah, bro. I don't know if I can do that. Then it's kind of mean to the other people. But I appreciate the gift a lot. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. That ain't fair. Yeah, it's not fair. Fortnite Battle Pass, legit. Staying for another 2 hours for NFP. Bro, I think I did. I came too early. Fuck. I came too early, man. But now I'm here. I've committed. That's legit the funniest thing. Bro, pay to win. Oh, okay. Thanks, Shorts. Nice. Send him another 50. So what do you guys think? I'm thinking I could see gold selling off for NFP, to be honest. Tyler, your book, I came too early. Legit. What is AED? Wait, what? You're talking about Dubai money? Pez? You could have bought the account with that. Pay to win, yeah, man. Crazy. No, AED and AUD isn't the same. That's what he sent. Oh, did he send it in AED? That's Dubai money. Oh yeah, so that's about like $7.50. Let's say 18 AED. I think it's like $7.50 Australian dollars. Nah, maybe $8.50. Oh yeah, look, $7.50. Fuck, I'm good. That's when you know your boy's been really looking into moving to Dubai. Wow, that was fucking good. That's when you know your boy's been really looking into moving to Dubai. Guys, I say this every time, but most of you, there's a extraordinarily high probability that you guys that I give the accounts away to, you're just going to blow it anyway. Because you're not going to respect it. Like, trading's hard enough, and if you lose respect for the account, you're just going to trade it like this, what I'm doing, which is just gambling. And you blow the account. Gambling and trading just doesn't work. Why Dubai? Low tax, lifestyle, nothing holding me back. Not only do I want to move to Dubai, I am moving to Dubai. Yep. Income tax free, yep. I need the account, bro. I'm sure multiple people feel like they need the account, bro. Billions of Dubai. When are you coming, bro? Honestly, bro, I could be in a month. Could be in 1 month. So yeah, anyone that lives in Dubai, it'd be good to connect. Connect, bro. What if I make billions off your free account? Then you are one of the rare ones. So can I have the account so I can gamble too? Yeah, so I've got 200k accounts here, you guys. Last NFP, they both blew up. So I'm back with a vengeance. I'm back to prove that I can do this. That I can gamble my way through to the other side. Connect, bro. Commodity trader? Yep. Doesn't matter. Connect. Shows your Arabic language skills. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah. How do I get the account? I'll figure it out soon. When we get to 200 likes, I'll figure it out. So I've only got 45 to go. The ATI will try to tax you when you live across seas, man. Nah, not the way that I've set it up. I've set up a company over there. So when I set up my company in Dubai, because the idea is you set up a company over there and then you essentially hire yourself and then you qualify for the tax-free threshold, right? And bro, you can't buy to win. You make me feel guilty now. Shit! Alhamdulillah! Bro, you make me feel guilty. This isn't a pay to win. This isn't Fortnite fucking pay to win. Buy the battle pass and you get the cool skins. Damn. But I appreciate the dono. I do appreciate the dono. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, bro. This is probably like the first time I've ever got a real, like, serious dono. Other than Aaron doing it to roast me. So if anyone else wants to dono, then maybe you could help me pay for these blown accounts. Connect, bro. Bro's buying the battle pass fucking over here. Shit. Yeah, so the idea is you set up a company over there, you hire yourself, and then you qualify for the tax-free, right? Which is what I've done. I've paid for the trade license. All up, it's cost a couple grand. You know, so I paid for the trade license. I paid for the business name, the business registration, Emirates ID, Visa. It costs about 6,000 Australian dollars all up. But yeah, so when I had to register the business, they were like, you need a business name. And I was like, okay, Daniel Holmes Trades. And they're like, you can't do that. It doesn't work. And I kept saying all these names and they all kept getting rejected. And I was just like, range fill. That one got accepted apparently. I was like, okay, I guess my business over there is called Range Fill. Sounds like a fucking golf course. My business sounds like a golf course. Nikus, this crypto, this doesn't... trading on it before NFP is a bad way to go, bro. Very dangerous. Why are you downloading to? He's already rich? No, I'm not rich, bro. Bro, send me someone will flip that account. Payout. No, that's what everyone always says. Type 2. Nice type 2 going down the 4-hour serialization behind this trade, bro. Oh, fuck. Stock of it. I want to invest in your company. Yeah. It's on the stock exchange. I got all you. Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see how we go with NFP. Zesty Boy LLC. Imagine that. Oh, fuck. Shit. See how we go, my dudes. We shall see how we go. Ariel! Yo! That's more than the other dude. That's 10 actual Australian dollars. Damn it. Now I'm feeling guilty. Now I'm feeling guilty. Thank you. Thank you for the dono. God damn. Shit. Wow. Pay to win over here. Thank you for the dono. Guilt is now infecting my soul. Just for teaching me the trading things, G. Appreciate you. Yeah, Ariel, you're here every day. You're consistent with it. W. You get Call of Duty Black Ops full battle pass. W Ariel, yep. W Ariel. W as. Look at this. Static. $3.95, sir. Can I count, please, sir? Shit. Each dono increases my level of guilt. Shit. Appreciate you, Static. 10p. What the hell is P&L? 10 PLN to AUD. Oh wow, that's $4.11. Wow, thank you, Relax. Thank you for the dono. €5. Bro, I'm rich. Guilty. The guilt level is rising dramatically. Yay. Yay. Thank you, Nate. Please, sir, I need the account. Love you long time. God damn it. I might have to have a guilt off. Maybe now that a few people have donoed, maybe I'll have to give one away to the donos. To the people that have donoed. $2 AUS. Jennifer Fantastic is king. $2 AUS. Guilt meter. Guilt. Especially if I give an account away to a dono, then I'm... Hoodie, you've already got an account. If I give an account away to a dono, oh my god, I'm going to be the worst person in the world, but it might have to happen at this point. Thank you, Hoodie. I appreciate you. Appreciate the dono. Bro, pick me. I've been supporting. Here, Lisa, I love you long time. Oh no, Jack. Billions and billions of donations. Hey, sir, what's your guilt level? 7,000. Good. Oh, man. Billions and billions and billions. The Zephyr free account blew a lot of it. Shit. You guys. This is making it unfair for others now. Shit. I don't know what to do, you guys. Why are you getting so many donos on the stream? I mean, bro's been funded for his NFP. Yeah, enough donos, and I might have to. No, I haven't. Not. Okay, you give people who have money a dono, but not us who have viewer and always support you. Donate the donos to charity. Remove the guild. Yeah. I'm break even now. Yeah. Legit. God damn it. Yeah, I might have to do a dono. I might have to do a dono giveaway. To be honest, now the guild meters come to that level now that it's gonna have to be a dono giveaway. When I get to 200 likes, I'll do a dono giveaway. I think. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. I don't know. I'll figure something out. 7 AUD. I bring this strategy so you should consider. I bring this strategy so you consider? Wait, what do you mean? 5 Ron. What the fuck is Ron? $5 Ron to AUD. What the fuck is Ron? 5 Ron is $1.70 AUD. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Loan. Relax drops another 5. Shit. I mean, I have to do it now. Deleter. 5 SGD. Bro, I don't know any of these currencies. SGD? Singapore? Yeah. Singapore dollar. 5 SGD. Oh, wow. It's equivalent to Australia. Like a little bit more than Australia. That's like 6 AUD. Thank you, Deleter. Buy or sell, sir. Fucking hell. Well, you can see I'm going to sell. Shit, man. Yeah, gonna have to throw an account in the donos. Come on, I deserve it. Send last money in my account to you. Fuck. Do not send the last money in your account. The guilt trip is real. Legit. Hassan, 90 cents. Thank you, brother. Matthew, shit, 5 euros. Perry, L signal, I blew my account. Oh, no. Shit. Oh, fuck, my mic's on. Come on, donos. Oh, my days. When did you stop working for your boss to make a living with trade? Any advice for my job? Yeah, my advice would be make sure that you have you're consistently making money. Like you need to make sure that you actually are consistently making money. Don't do it just because you got one payout or something like that. Like you need to make sure you're comfortable with your trading. Now we're having fun here. Bribery will get you anywhere, it seems. I know, it does seem like that. Bribery is actually working out here. Bribery is actually working out here. I don't make the rules. The bribers do. You can buy gold now? I was just selling gold. Who finna drop 100 bomb? Who finna drop 100? Look at this, another $7. I started this trend, so give and take. Bro! No, this is the thing. You can't be a buy to win. It can't be a buy to win. I feel too guilty then. It cannot be a buy to win. It cannot be a buy to win. This isn't a Fortnite Battle Pass. Look at this niggas crypto. Let's celebrate their first super live on stream. Man, wow. Looking like Terminator. Thank you. I'm hiding my emotions for NFP. An hour and a half, Mitch. What's with the Matrix? Look, it's so I can hide my emotions. Look at this, Toledo. 35 ZAR. What is that? Toledo already won an account. What is 35 ZAR in AUD? $3. Wow. Toledo. Alhamdulillah. I'm angry on this donation giveaway. Bro, you're in the donation giveaway. You just donoed. You just donoed then. You just donoed, so you're in the mix, my G. Look at, yeah, we're kind of, this is just chop suey here. What's the forecast for gold? Well, it's unpredictable now that we're approaching NFP. It becomes unpredictable, right? It becomes unpredictable. How do I donate? I actually have no idea. I don't even know how they're doing it. Come on, Daniel, I made the most donations. I deserve it. No, it can't be a pay to win. It's just whoever did dono will do a dono giveaway. I can give a couple away. Even if I do give away an account, I can throw a couple more in for the mix, considering I jumped on stream a bit too early, so. Static, buy or sell, sir. Sir. $3 NZ. Appreciate you, brother. Yeah, good luck trying to freaking... I mean, I could throw a... I guess this is buy. This is sell. Apparently it's a sell. Can I donate with a super message and shout my kick out? Wait, yeah, you can try. I don't know, I've never done it. So what are they forecasting? Wow, they're forecasting really bad numbers in comparison to last month. Interesting. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Gold will go bull. It's too hard to predict though. Like, it's impossible to predict, really. It's actually impossible to predict. Yeah, it's too hard to know. No, it's too hard to actually know, because at the same time, yeah, it's too hard to actually know. Gonna go full port during AFP? I might have to. I might accidentally have two 100k accounts for a bit of entertainment. I might accidentally have two 100k accounts for some entertainment. You know, I did this last month and they both exploded. So the probability of them exploding this time, you know, with two accounts taking a buy on one of them and a sell on the other, the probability of them both exploding is like 89%. So there's an 89% chance that both accounts will explode. All right? So that's an interesting component to all of this. Yeah, my appeal not approved with TikTok. I'll try and send it to this company, see if they can change it, but wow, look at, I should have taken my random cell. I should have taken my random cell. What did NFP in history with, wait, what? You have a $150K dollar account ready to win or blow. Fuck. The chance is it's probably going to blow. I guess it's 50-50, but no, the reality is the chance that there's a high probability that they blow up is because what happens a lot of the time is this, up and down aggressively, right? So it actually goes both ways. And then sellers get cooked and then buyers get cooked. So it usually ends in tears for all parties. For all participants, it ends in tears most of the time. So not very good. One sec. Yeah, you watch how price starts to react as we get closer to news. So wait for the buy sell. So I'm waiting for the buy sell signal as well. What I'll do here, let me make a poll. And I'll do whatever the top comment is. I'll do whatever the top comment is on this poll that I have here on the chat. What up, Bondface? Haven't seen your name in the chat for a while. Yeah, we'll see. Wind show. We'll see. Oh, wow, look at this. The poll, sellers are winning the poll. Sellers are in control. I don't know what the blue oyster bar is, but this is my NFP costume. Tears must be hidden when the account blows up. Oh my god, look how close the battle is. This just goes to show you, like, this is trading, right? When people are buying, other people are selling, it's always close to 50-50. Like, there's 60 votes here, and 60 votes evenly distributed is almost 50-50. And that's typically always the case with trading. Like, it's just such an interesting thing. Like, right now, it's 50-50. Isn't that just interesting? I don't know. I think that's just so interesting. I'm at the point where I feel the pain of being normal is greater pain. I have backtested my strategy and observed it well. My problem now is myself. At that time of execution, how can one overcome? I mean, if you backtest it and your strategy works, you got to make sure you're backtesting right as well. You can't backtest on TradingView. Like, are you using an actual simulation software? And are you doing the same setup every time? Not like, oh, I'm letting runners run massively. Like, not things that you wouldn't actually do in the market. It has to be the exact setup where you like scalp 15 pips or whatever every time. And it has to be a simulation. It can't be like TradingView where it skips candles. It has to actually be, you know. Look, people saying buy have taken over the sellers. But then you really want me to buy fucking right here where it is? That seems risky. Yeah, it doesn't do intraday candle. It doesn't do actual candle movements. It skips candles. So yeah, you can't even, like, you really can't backtest with TradingView. Ah, do the exact opposite of traders because most traders are wrong. That's actually good. That's a good point. That seems risky. Seems risky when you just fucking click and buy and sell randomly. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we're approaching NFP, you guys. I'm actually starting to get a little bit nervous because we are actually approaching. We are actually approaching, which is scary. So what I do is this. Can you guys see? I'll move this over. Is I go to this risk setting and I'll remove all risk. So make that a 0. And then my profit target is $6,000. Save. Boom. So when I get triggered in an order, or automatically apply risk settings, yes. Sorry, I need to save that. When I get triggered in an order, it's immediately going to set me my profit target at 6,000, which is passing the challenge. And my risk, I don't care. Like, you know. So this is really cool. This is really serious stuff. Everyone like the YouTube? Yeah, guys, get me to 200 and I'll kiss you. Oh, we're close. Lately, no top week, bottom week on 1A candles. But yeah, there's a lot of volatility, a lot of volume. Like right now, pre-NFP, don't expect anything normal. Like, this is craziness. This is craziness. Yeah, Paul, but that's if you want to watch the 1 minute. Like guys like us, where we don't even watch the 1 minute. We watch the 15 minute at the lowest. You really want something like MT5 simulator where the market flows and moves just like what we're watching right now. The donation giveaway still going? Yeah, for sure. We'll do the donation giveaway in a minute. In a couple minutes here. No, bro, all the kisses. NFP is honestly the best way to pass big accounts. Yeah, I don't know. It is risky because obviously like a lot of the time it spikes both ways. So it is risky, but you know, it is what it is. It's just a bit of fun. I don't think I've ever actually passed an account like this. Not that I've done it. I can't remember when I've done it. Yeah, it's just straight up gambling day. But yeah, not that I've actually done it much. I used to do it when I first started trading. I would put buy stops and sell stops in like, not to pass an account, but to get profits on it. And sometimes it'll pay, but most of the times you lose. Not worth it. Get them glasses off and jacket off. You have like 2 payouts, same 800k. Bro, you're a loser. You're a loser. I got murder on my mind. Waste more money on more stupid things. Bro, pick one person from the winning poll. The winning poll? Oh, the poll. I don't even know how to check people from the poll. Wow, look how many people said buy. Yeah, there's a backtesting software called MT5 Simulator that you can move, the market will move in real time. Yep. I used to be obsessed with it, like, but the thing is, like, if you do backtest, try to only do it for like 45 minutes because you start to lose respect for it. And, you know, stop trading kind of out of alignment, which with the way that you actually probably should. We are killing it. Imagine if I accidentally did one of my funded accounts. Shit. Doobie is a backtesting AI. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what that means. How much funded do you? 800,000. 800,000. Oh, NPC trades 10 AUD. Shit. NPC trades. You guys check out his channel. NPC trades in the mentorship. He's going to start documenting his journey. He's showing his trades in real time, live streaming and stuff as well. Make sure you guys check out NPC trades. He's a G. He is a G. So these 300k accounts here, can you guys see? I think you can. Look, they're $40 away, $33 away from passing. I've had them sitting there for like a week. I haven't even touched them though. I've seen $40 on them, but I just haven't even bothered. I got murder. Are you going to keep trading on the New York session? I said, bro, this is like a 3-hour stream. I'm here to pass a challenge, get revenge on NFP. And that's it. BC trades. You on Insta, NPC? NPC, are you on? What's your Insta? Which prop firm? Bullinox. Yeah, so I've got I've got these 4 accounts here that are funded and activated that I trade live. I've got these 3 that I just need to get $37 on. And then I've got one sitting in the back end that's I haven't activated yet. So I'll probably start adding that one into the mix next week. And then next week as well, I'll obviously get the $30 on these accounts and just get them funded. And then activate them whenever I want, I guess. I mean, most of the people in this thing said buy, and I really don't want to buy. I don't want to lose any more money on this fucking account. I shouldn't have traded it. 111 points. Now, what typically happens as NFP approaches, it will start kind of... Actually, I don't know what's going to happen, but a lot of the times it will kind of just weirdly move in a direction. I've noticed that a lot. And then it will just fucking drop or push, whatever it does. So we'll see. Nah, they're not linked. I've got no accounts linked for this. I'll open up 2 windows so I can take a buy on one and a sell on the other. Like a true player. Play on, player. Buy platinum and never goes down. Is platinum on this shit? Oh, there it is straight away. Well, it went down here and here. And it's right at a fucking resistance level. It's exactly at a heavy resistance level as well. All Labs kicking YouTube and TikTok. Nice. Yeah. Is your name MPC Trades on TikTok and stuff like that? Yeah, massive institutions. I know that, yeah, people say they position themselves to get their better entry. Maybe it is that. I don't know, but yeah. But because sometimes you'll see that though, and you'll be like, okay, if this is institutions getting positioned for a better entry, but then it still goes in that direction. So I was like, well then, how does that make sense, right? Oh, can you do another giveaway? Yeah. When we get to 200 likes. We're 19 away. How much risk I take past the challenge quickly? Bro, don't do it. You need to trade properly, because once you do get funded, you're just going to blow it. You need to learn how to trade. I know it sounds like a quick way to make money, but trust me, bro. Once you are funded, there's rules that you won't get a payout unless you're a profitable trader. There's rules that you need to stick to, man. That they have in place just so like YOLO traders can't get payouts. All my accounts the same name, really appreciate it. Nice MPC. Yeah, there you go. All these accounts are the same. Yeah, you guys will start being seeing a lot more of MPC. He's learning the strategy. He's showing up, getting better as a trader, so. 200 likes first. Check out cattle futures. Is cattle even in here? Soybean. What the fuck does soybean look like? Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I don't know if cattle's in here. Oh wow, live cattle. Wait, does that mean like, holy shit. Does that mean like cows? Like, I don't understand. Whoa, look at cattle, man. Why aren't we buying cows, man? Shit, we need to be buying cows out here. Look at this 4-hour chart. It's just going up. Why aren't we buying cows? I can't trade animals. We've got to trade animals. We've got to be out here trading animals, you guys. Wow. We have to be out here trading animals, man. Open a chicken chart. Open a human chart. Can you trade humans? Wow, that would have got me banned on TikTok. I'll happily trade humans. NQ, what are you doing? You guys, we're actually approaching NFP. It's getting closer, and will I be able to redeem myself since last time? Last time both my accounts blew up. Will I be able to redeem myself is a question. Is a question that can only be answered by no one really. By Tori, yeah. Finally embracing the buy or sell, yeah. After all the fucking TikTok buy or sell comments, I just said, you know what? Maybe these guys are onto something. And here we are. Here we are. We're fully converted to the other side. Fully converted. Yeah, you do have consistency rules when you're funded. Oh, I guess it depends who you're with. Nearly all prop firms, I think even Top Step have it now, consistency rules. I think Top Step even have a consistency rule now. The stream every sir is long for. Legit. Oh, that's funny. I mean, I could take one last sell if it comes down here a bit more. It's a full-blown NFP gamble. What do you mean by commissions? You mean their profit split? Well, it depends with Bull and Ox. Your first 10K payouts, you get 100% of that. Then after that, it's 90%. Prop XP, which I have a 20% discount in the description. And this is the accounts that I'm giving away, is 95% profit split. This is the accounts I'm giving away, by the way, you guys. Prop XP. I have a 95% profit share. And there's a 20% discount in my description of this video as well. Yeah, you can trade gold on Top Step. Are they legit? Yeah, they're legit. Account for fees if you present the TP. Are you implying that I make this 6,000? Let's make it 690. It won't even be that much. Even if it is like $50 off or whatever, that's easy. You're pretty much passed. What's your NFP setup? Click buy or sell and one of them might work. But like I said, there's an 85% chance they both die. Happened last time. You know, this is just entertainment stream. If you pass one, well, lucky you, because it is luck. But the probability, and I mean this, 89% chance that I will lose both these 100K accounts. All right. In normal market conditions, if this candle here were to close like this, and the next one wick up and push down, this is fucking really nice sell position in normal market conditions. But this is fucking pre-NFP. Anything can happen. So I was trying to register for Prop Firm XS, but it says not available in my region. Ooh. Yeah, maybe it's not available in your region then. Unfortunately. This is a good idea, actually. Yeah, I'll put a timer on soon. How to participate in the giveaway. The next one, I'm giving it away for the guys that dropped the donation. I didn't want to do that, but people kept doing it, so I had to do a pay-to-win version, a pay-to-win giveaway. And then I might give away 2 more just because I'm a nice guy to normal people. So if you guys want to be in the next giveaway, drop a donation. Bro, please, please. No, I don't actually, because then I don't even know if, I don't know. I didn't make the rules. To normal people. Oh, fuck. Watching from Kenya, please help me, guys. Bro, how are we going to help you? You're in freaking Kenya. I would love to help you, but what can I do, brother? Bro's lost all shame, bro. At this point, I've literally lost all shame. A couple of names missing. Bro, it's impossible, Hazan, to get all the people in the chat. Because people come and go as well. Someone dropped 500. Someone finna drop 500 bands. Oh, man. Yeah, I know what I'm going to do in a minute. Need the giveaway account, bro. There's so many people that are saying that. How long it took you to be profitable? 2 years. 2 years, brother. Probably could have, well, I know I could have shortened it. But I did what everyone does. You kind of have to go through shit. And, or you don't have to, but most people do. Yeah, delete it, but in normal market conditions. But you would still want it to kind of engulf. Looks kind of trash if it doesn't engulf. Yeah, I don't know how to do that, Static. Did you just have losses for 2 years? I wouldn't say I had just losses. Like, obviously you had your up and downs, but I wasn't a profitable trader in those 2 years. I was still making a lot of the typical mistakes that most beginner traders make, which is the over trading, the leverage, revenge trading, the impulse trading. And maybe I'll make some progress, but then I'll throw it all away by falling back into the habits, which is actually just human nature habits. That's why trading's so hard, because it goes against human nature. It goes against all instincts. Yeah, I had Nightbot for a while and it was just banning everyone. That's what happened to you yesterday? Yep. That's what happens to most traders most of the time. Until you finally get your shit together. I have potential, but just don't have capital. Well, then buy a cheap funded account. You can get cheap funded accounts for like $10 when there's discounts on. Type 2 gamble. Nah, because I don't want to lose any more money on this account. I've already lost too much. I've already lost too much, unfortunately. And we're approaching NFP anyway. No, you stupid. Yeah. What happens on NFP and why does Mark go crazy? Because it just releases the numbers on. If you go to a website called forexfactory.com, come down here, you can see NFP hits at this time, non-farm payroll. It's the payroll for everything other than farm. The change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding farming industry. Happens once a month. High impact news. The market goes crazy around that at that time and beforehand. Can I have your account? Yeah, deleted. These were my NFP accounts. I'm not using my funded accounts taking random fucking... I literally took these trades flipping a coin. Like I'm not gonna flip a coin and use my funded accounts. How to participate in the giveaway? Just chill. I'll tell you soon. Yeah, every first Friday, I think. Yeah, all these were secretly me on different accounts. Nah, I've only got 2 gamble accounts. I've got a buy and a sell account. The buy and sell sir cats got to me and I finally cracked. Yeah, I'll have a bit of fun with NFP. I might see if I can full margin one of these accounts. I got 200k accounts over here. Last month I did it. And they both exploded. This month, I'm back with a vengeance. I'm back with a vengeance. And I'm taking no prisoners. What's your view on UJ? Even if I did have a view on UJ, it's not worth trading it now, bro. It's too close to NFP. You're not going to get any clean price action. View on gold, same thing. You're not going to get any clean price action right now. And it's going to be very much a good idea to just wait. Where do you find a reliable 100k, $10 accounts? Maybe that was a bit of an exaggeration, but not really. Like with Bullinox. Let's have a look. I've got... I'll give you guys a secret over here. I'll give you guys a secret over here. This is my 75% off discount code for Bullinox. It's only here for like a day or two though. So if I join now, the discount code is this. X5DMG. All right, let's click it. Boom. So for a 25k account, you can get that for $36 and it's 75% off option 1 and option 2. You can get a $250,000 account for $133. So this is my code here, X5DMG. Bullinox, 75% off. There's no 75% off codes at the moment. All prop firms, there's no codes running at the moment, but I have one. So yeah. That's what's up. For activation, how much is it? Bro, worry about that when you actually pass a challenge. Oh, Elite Trade have 90% off at the moment? Okay, nice. What's the code? Bro, I just showed you. X5DMG. What's your view of NFP? It's impossible to know, bro. Connect, bro. Codec. It's impossible to know, bro, like it actually is. That's why we click buy or sell. Anything I do here with this trading, with these 100K accounts here on NFP is just for entertainment purposes only. All right. It's not advisable behavior. This is just having a bit of fun on NFP. It comes around once a month, so... comes around once a month, and you know, X5DMJ. I don't think it's J, I think it's G. X5DMG. Bullinox is like the only prop other than I'll be starting to use prop XP. Bullinox, they're really good. Yeah, they're really good. You're gonna do a live trade when NFP happens? Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to do it. Could you imagine? Okay, so put it this way, you guys. There's a 98% chance that both these 100K accounts blow up, but there's an 11% chance that one of them pass. Could you imagine if I just accidentally get 100K funded? It's fucking hilarious. I have to redeem myself from last NFP, so... Do you believe that anybody who put enough time and effort could become profitable and trader and live off that? Absolutely. Yep. Anybody that puts enough time and effort can become profitable trading. 100%. You don't need a degree. The markets don't care about your background, where you grew up, what your parents are like, what you did in the past. It's just you and the screen, bro. And if you really lock in, don't think about it short term. Don't think about the money. Just think about how can I get better at this skill? You can actually do it. You can actually do it. You can change your life. I changed my life. Just use me as an example, bro. I just kept showing up. And then like today, I made 1,500. Yesterday, I made 1,000. The day before, I made 3,300. Like, you can change your life. It's that simple. So... The way you can not change your life, though, is if you show up and do dumb shit. You don't assess the mistakes you made, and then you show up again, do the same thing. You don't journal, you don't take it serious, you just treat it like gambling. You don't have a strategy that's actually proven, right? And you just treat this like a retard. That's how you'll fail in this game. You have to take it serious, you have to assess the mistakes you made, you have to constantly make effort to adjust after making those mistakes, because you're gonna make the mistakes. I made them all for a very long time. I would blow an account, promise that I would never do it again, wake up the next day and blow another account. For 2 years, right? But I kept trying to get better. I kept trying to get better, and eventually I started to get better. I haven't blown an account in a while. I haven't fucking done this in a while. Right? But it wasn't without a lot of effort. And before you know it, you go from making no money to a little bit of money, and then from a little bit of money to a lot of money, quick. It's remarkable how quick it goes. I remember the first time I made $100 in a day, I was like, holy fuck, I just made $100 pressing a button. And then $1,000, then $2,000. I'm like, by that point, you're kind of there mentally first. By that point, you get to there mentally first. Like, you get to profitability in the spiritual realm before you do in the physical realm. And then when you get there, you kind of like, it makes sense. It's not like it's not like a big shock. You're like, yeah, of course I'm that guy. I've been putting in the effort. I've been visualizing. I've been trying to get better, and it's taken time. Right? Bro, you're looking handsome, not gonna lie. Thank you, bro. I'm ugly without the glasses though. They're hiding my true. How long it took you to get profitable? Like 2 years really, started to click and shit. Then like the new look. Now this look is just for NFP. This is my NFP look. So I hide my tears when I blow my accounts. Yep. That's basically what I do, IDK. That's basically what I do, brother. It's like you're talking to me and that hit really hard. Thanks. Pleasure, man. If that hits hard, it's because everything you've been through, bro, is what I've been through. Everything, every issue you guys or you have ever had as a trader, I have. You realize the amount of times where I've done the most retarded shit on the charts and then I'm like, what the fuck did I just do? I'll be like, I'm retarded. Like, I must be retarded because why did I just click the button when there wasn't a trade set up and blow my account? Right? And then I'll wake up and do the same thing again. Every mistake, I've made them all for a long time, but I never gave up. I just kept trying to get better. And eventually I got better. Eventually it actually worked. Eventually I'm like, oh my God, I haven't blown an account. Oh my God, I'm actually withdrawing money. Oh my God, I'm that guy now. I've blown an account and I'm tired. Yep. Just assess it, bro. You have to assess it and try to get better. You know what you did. And here's the thing, when you guys blow accounts or you guys make mistakes on the charts, you actually know why. You don't need anyone to help you. You know what you did wrong. You know what you did wrong. So now the reality is, are you going to face the pain? Are you going to journal it? Or are you going to just face it and say, I can't keep doing this and then do it? Hilarious how every trader has to go through this. Swear this is the last time. I'll never do it again. 10 minutes later, full port. Yep. Yep. 200 likes. Okay, nice. We'll do that next giveaway in a sec, you guys. Yep, every trader goes through it because it's a human emotion. This is human psychology, you guys. You're not alone. If you've done retarded shit on the charts multiple times, you are not alone. Trust me, every single trader has done it. But there's two outcomes. You can either keep going and try and get better, or you can give up. Keep doing the retarded shit for a while and then eventually just give up. There's only two options, guys. And the ones that are successful consistently make the tweaks over a long period of time and come out on the other side. That's it. I'm 2 months into trading and making good scalps and support resistance. Sometimes I forget the emotional control and lose everything I made. Yep, that's it. That's exactly what happens to everyone, bro. And you just keep going. You keep trying to adjust and get better, and you will. You will. That's me every day. Lol. Slowly starting to gain more, but then... Yep, just keep going. That's wrong with me. I'm so retarded that is real. Nah, and the thing is, you're not retarded. Like, none of us are retarded. Like, it, you know, it's just human psychology. It really is. Fight or flight triggers in. It's just fight or flight triggering in. Yeah, you can crush it on demo. I know I can be profitable. I just have to follow my plan and not revenge trade. Bro, that's exactly it. Do you know when I was doing all the stupid shit on repeat, I knew that's what was so frustrating. I'm sure you right now that is listening to this know that you actually could be a profitable trader now. Like, you could be a profitable trader now. But, drum roll, you can't stick to your fucking rules. You can't stick to your fucking rules. So the market is as it is. You're the one that fucks it all up, right? The market has no idea who you are. It doesn't give a shit about you. You're the one that fucks it all up. So at the end of the day, if you really, really want it in this game, you got to stick to your rules, bro. You got to stick to your rules. You got to stick to your rules, man. Bro, trading goes against every human nature. Why it's so hard. Exactly. Exactly right. Do you get naked when the timer... Fucking hell. When the timer hits 0, high impact news is going to hit the market. I need this clip in your Instagram reels. I can't put this on my Instagram reels because I'm wearing glasses and shit. People are going to think I'm the biggest dickhead. They don't understand the law of NFP. Rules, rules, rules. Exactly. Yep. What if your rules are bad ones? So then you can just be, yeah, that's a good point. That is a good point. That's exactly where I am. Am I far off? I really had not. The thing is, there is one component in all this. You have to have like a proven, actual, decent strategy. If you've decided to pick shit from here and here and TJR's course and fucking ICT's trend lines and like, you're never going to find success there. You actually have to have a proven strategy. And I don't mean just a strategy as in like, this is where I enter and this is where I get out. I mean an entire system that has everything packaged of when to enter, when to exit, where my take profit is, what my average pip amount is, how do I manage my psychology throughout these different markets. Like, it has to be fully fleshed out. That's why the guys in my mentorship, everything's fleshed out for them. Now they just need to stick to it and then manage their own psychology. All right, so that is the component there as well. Like, a lot of people are banging their head against the wall, not realizing that they're also have a stupid strategy that makes no sense. So that is a component. You need to make sure your strategy is actually real. But most of it, it's like, most strategies work. You just have to stick to your rules. All right, that's a bit of a stretch, but yeah, you do have to stick to your rules. I think they help me become a better trader. That's awesome, man. So I find what works before and I test it. It becomes consistent enough. I take it up as a rule. Well, when I say rules, rules are more psychological rules. Rules are more like if I take 2 losses in a day, I call it a day. I shut the laptop down, the computer down, and I walk away and I don't look back. And that might sound easy, but try it. It's very difficult and it takes a long time to get good at doing that. I say it all the time. A good indication of whether you're becoming that trader that you've always wanted to be is if you can finish the day red, walk away, and come back tomorrow without being phased. That's a really big indicator that you're becoming that guy or girl. How to decide when to get into a trade? Because yesterday I forecast like 3 moves, and it's your strategy, bro. You need to really fine tune your strategy some more, bro. Because it's really easy to forecast what could potentially happen next, but actually finding an entry point that's smart with risk management involved is actually the hard point. Well, not hard, but like that's what, trading's all about. How do I overcome the panic attacks after blowing your account and you feel scared to enter after that? That's because you're using amounts of money that you're not willing to lose, bro. So if you're buying funded accounts, you need to make sure they're the smallest account possible with the biggest discount that you can find online possible. So when you're trading, you're not having panic attacks if you lose it because it's like $10, right? Edit down spinning facts, then cut them all to full point in NFP, yeah. Yeah, you guys got to stick to your rules. All right, I'm pressing buy and sell. Any tips on forming a strategy? Yes, I got the #1 tip to form the best strategy possible. Just give some motherfucker that's already figured out money to use his strategy. You have nothing to prove, bro. Just buy some fucking idiot strategy and copy it and then make it your own years down the track when you've already figured it all out and you've understood the nuances. Just buy someone's strategy, you guys. What the fuck? Why are you guys trying to reinvent the wheel? You're not going to win in the game if you're trying to reinvent the wheel, bro. I'm sorry, you're not that guy. I know you think you're special and I'll figure this out. I used to think that as well. When I first came into trade and I heard it takes 2 years to be profitable, I said, nah, I'm a hard worker. I'm unique. I'm him. I'll figure it out quicker. You can't find out the hard way that that's just not how the game works. There's very intelligent people. This is a very intricate game and it takes time to get good at pulling money out of thin air. Surprise, right? You're not going to figure that out. Right now, my key rule is 120. I'm out. Yeah, that's good. Having rules like that are good, man. I really like your channel. You really try and home in on some mental side of it. Thank you. No, pleasure is mine. you know, today's we're just goosing around, but you know, the whole purpose of this channel and live streaming is we are serious about trading. I live stream twice a day, every trade I take, profits, everything. And once a month we have a bit of a goose around on NFP day. Have you watched any ambitious education vids? Ambitious? You mean the news, like the ambitious investing guys? I was on their podcast. What do you think about Roger Banks' course? You got to understand this as well. There's a difference between a strategy and a mentorship. Like I sell a mentorship. I sell my education, my time and energy to the guys that join my mentorship. Meaning it's not only my system, strategy and course, but it's also me. We jump on one-on-one calls whenever they want, right? Because I'm guiding them. I'm their wingman to success in this game. So just understand the difference between a mentorship and a course. Right? You are going to get in a bit of trouble when you're just buying courses. But if you can get a good mentorship, that's going to accelerate the process a lot. Any of you guys that are actually genuinely curious in that, my website here, Daniel Holmes Trades, you can apply for the mentorship here if you guys want. You can see everything that's in it. Yeah, really trying to help these guys excel in this game. And essentially, yeah, change your life like it changed mine. Pretty simple, man. Would you recommend going micros for NFP? I'm going full port, both accounts, both 100K accounts. I'm going full port. I don't know about any of this micro shit. Your boy's going full port, daddy. Giveaway. Oh yeah, let's do this, you guys. We'll do the dono giveaway. I'm gonna close my eyes. Relax Music. You get it, my friend. Relax Music gets the next account. Nice. Very nice. Nah, not on funded accounts. 2 100K challenge accounts. Let me write that down here. Relax Music. We've got another account here that we'll give away before NFP as well. Relax Music. Dub for Relax Music. If Relax isn't here, then we might have to give it away to someone else. Because you got to be in the... Oh, Relax is here. Nice. I was going to say, you can't just be in and out. Very nice. Dub for Relax. Sweet. Look, someone else here said I'm here. You're such a cute Duke. I believe he will chop the NFP. Bro, I've said it before. There's an 89% chance that both my 100K accounts will blow up here. How do I connect for your free? I'll message you, Relax, or message me. Someone, you guys message me. Yeah. We'll do one more giveaway before NFP hits. How much dollars in funding do you have? 800,000. So I got 200K accounts here. Just have a bit of fun with NFP. I might full margin them, see if we can pass one, but there's an 89% chance they'll both explode. Where should I message you? Anywhere, on any of my socials. Or Discord. Any of you guys in the Discord, any of you guys that aren't in the Discord, here's a link to the free Discord community if you want to join the community. I just pinned it in the chat. $800,000, that's a flex. It could be 900,000 after today. We'll see. Why full porting knowing there's a high chance of failure? Does that promote a good mental trading frame? I'm not here to promote anything. I don't care what you guys do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing just for a bit of fun. I say multiple times, this isn't trading. This is the casino. Welcome to the casino. Welcome in, friends. The casino's open. I'm just having a bit of fun. NFP comes around once a month. I trade live every day on funded accounts like a professional. And then once a month we have a bit of a goose around. It's all good. Remember the last one you did? Yep, both accounts. It was an absolute disaster. I'm a bit sketched that I'm 400 down here. I've really pushed it here. I shouldn't be that much down, but what are you gonna do? This could be my downfall, the fact that this is 400 down, to be honest. I'm wondering if I should buy or sell. It's fucking random, who knows? How old are you, bro? I'm 34. I know I act like I'm 12, but yeah, I'm 34. Casino, good luck, bro. Cool, but trying to adopt, but you're cool, but I'm trying to adopt the gambling. You're trying to adopt the gambling mentality? No, you don't want to try to adopt a gambling mentality. Quick analysis of what could happen. Bro, the only analysis that I could humanly possibly try to get is if the market starts in these next, 30 minutes starts to push in one direction. I think there's a slight more possibility that it will push the opposite way when NFP hits than the other. That's all. That's the only analysis I could ever have on NFP. If it starts to move in one direction, there's a relatively interesting amount of possibility that it could push in the other direction once it hits. What's with the sunnies, Dan? Because on NFP, I have to hide my tiers when I blow up all my accounts. So that's the NFP law, is the sunnies. Rigged. Most donators had the biggest chance. No, it wasn't rigged. I didn't want to give it to donos, but then heaps of people kept doing it, so I felt bad. Do you think there's a possible strategy on FP? No, there's no strategy on FP at all. No. Hope I can flip my 100. Again, I'll make a disclaimer. This is literally for entertainment purposes, you guys. This isn't serious trading. I'm not using funded accounts. I'm using challenge accounts. Just trying to full margin, maybe pass it just for a bit of fun. Don't take this serious, you guys. Time to use my new confines. No, bro. Some napkins ready? Yeah, legit. There's an 89% chance they both blow up. God damn it. Damn, I'm getting nervous. We're getting closer, you guys. I'm getting nervous. Oh, wow, look at this. If he enters the market, he would tell us, bro, you'll see it. You will see it, my friend. Because you'll also see me going, damn it, no. I'm broke. I'm going back to living under a bridge. Getting PTSD from last blown accounts, bro. I'm actually getting PTSD. Isn't there a consistency rule like more than 50% profit target? Not on the challenge phase. Once you're funded, there is, but not through the challenge phase, no. Can we do another giveaway? Yeah, we'll do another random giveaway very soon before NFP hits. If any of you guys got any trading related questions or you face any difficulties in trading, drop them in. You just messaged me on Discord? Yeah, nice. Okay, sweet. How often do you stream? Every single day. Yeah, I trade the London stream every day. No, there's no such thing as a good idea to trade NFP, period. What up, Bruce? Please explain the camels. Oh my god, world's longest stream. I'm literally here just to see reactions through NFP. My reaction through NFP is going to be like, why? Why did I do this? Yo, can I have my donation back? Otherwise, I might need some tips for fasting because I can't afford food. Wow. Took me 2 years. Christ music. 2 years of making tremendous amount of mistakes that every trader makes. People say psychology is capital if you don't have money Psychology is way harder. What do you think? Well, yeah, at some point you're going to get to a point where it is all psychology. You understand your strategy and system. But people have a different perspective. When they hear the term psychology in trading, everyone will think something different. For me, psychology just means if you take 2 losses, do you have the mental capacity and ability to walk away and come back tomorrow? The answer is no for 90% of people, right? The answer to them is, let me jump back in the market, try to revenge trade and get that capital back. So it takes a lot of time to actually get mentally accustomed to being able to do that, to handle red days, to handle losing trades, and understand, get the mental, like let it burn into your head that we are playing a game of random outcomes. Wins and losses are randomly distributed. And that's a very, very difficult thing to get mentally adjusted to. Because a loss for a lot of people triggers like fucking childhood trauma. Like they're like, it's a personal attack. And it's like, get used to it, brother. Get fucking used to it. Because that's the game we're playing. All right, so the market will start acting weird now that we're approaching liftoff. Look at this, you guys. We've had 2,600 people here. Again, you guys, anyone, this promo here will be gone in a couple of days. X5D MG gives you 75% off all these accounts. You can get a $25,000 account for $36 on Bullinox. These Bullinox accounts here. X5D MG. Oh, fuck. Bad idea. Anytime you trade news, bad idea. Yeah, it's been hit and miss. A lot of nearly trades, Chester. Yeah, a lot of nearly trades. Like a lot of no wicks and things like that, so you've had to sit it out. Monday and Tuesday were almost, I don't think I took a trade on Monday or Tuesday, but Wednesday was beautiful. Cleaned up on Wednesday, Thursday, and today I cleaned up as well. Like on all of these accounts, so 81 on this account, 81 on this account, 81 on this account, 640 on this account. That's a fucking solid day. That equates to 1,500 Australian dollars. Wednesday was 3,300 and Thursday was like 1,000 as well. Like, but Monday and Tuesday were almost no trade days, I believe. And that's a whole nother skill as well, understanding that there's days like that where you're just not going to get a trade set up that's in accordance to your system. It makes sense. If trading was easy, everyone would be doing it. Yep. People run as soon as they fail and make mistakes. Unfortunately, that's how you get better. Yes, exactly right. So glad you say I got cooked a couple times. Yeah. Monday and Tuesday for just you trade similar to me. Price action. It was, yeah, there wasn't good price action on Monday or Tuesday. It was not good price action then. Today's NFP buy or sell. Why not? Why buy or sell when you can do both? Right? So maybe that's what I'll do. I miss half my trades because I need some tips. Maybe I didn't learn liquidity correctly. Oh, I don't know how you trade, bro. Yeah, you just got to keep fleshing out your strategy. Just keep fleshing it out. Hopefully you learn from somebody that already has a proven strategy, because otherwise you're going to be, you're going to be banging your head against the wall for a couple of years. Nice, Delita. Beautiful. Good man. Yeah, Monday was rough for our style of trading. It wasn't rough. It was just a sit out day almost. I don't think we took a trade on stream, did we, Delita? Through Asia or London. What time is it for you? 10 o'clock, 10:07. All right, you guys, we're getting closer. I'm scared. Nice, Harpreet. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I'm with you, Dale. Yeah. Oh, fuck. Give me 5 punch competition. Do you trade NFP? Okay. You got to understand, I'm here with glasses on at nighttime, 19 stories up with a leather jacket on, full porting NFP. Right? And that's it. That's all I've got to say. Oh, did you on Monday? Okay. If I don't pass the account in a month, I'll be charged again. Yes, that's right. Yep. Yes, that's right. What's your GG for NFP? I don't have one. I have two $100,000 accounts, and I'm going to click buy and sell on and see which one works out. But I said there's an 89% chance that they both explode. I don't make the rules. How likely would it be for you to pass both accounts? It's impossible. It's literally impossible. Only one can pass. What strategy do you trade? Just price action. Join the Discord. Nice. No, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I've got two accounts here, so I'm going to bring up two screens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this screen over like this so you guys can see both of them. And on the right, I'm going to click buy. And on the left, I'm going to click fucking sell. All right. That's the type of shit I'm on, son. That's the winning strategy that everyone's been hiding from you all these years. I'm not putting buy stops. Join the stream of a guy with sunnies at night saying he's full porting. Bro, can you imagine? So look at this. 2,740 people have been here. And this is what they came in to see. They'll be like, what the fuck is going on here? Little do they know that we're about to become billionaires. Billions and billions and... So... And I think I'm going to use 6 contracts. Or 60 micros. I'm in a bit of trouble with this account. I might have to do it a bit lower on this account. So, any tips on how to trade NFP? Yes, my tip on how to trade NFP is don't. It's literally a gamble. You might as well go to the casino. And it's a terrible gamble as well. Like I said, there's an 89% chance that both these accounts blow up. That's a terrible gamble. You're better off going to roulette. It's 50-50, I think. Because what happens a lot of the time is price does this. It spikes both ways. And not only that, slippage and spread opens up. Like you can get taken out of both orders before they even triggered. Can we do the math here real quick? If I'm looking to secure $66,000, how many ticks do I need? If I go fucking 60 times 90, I'm asking a lot, aren't I? I'm really asking a lot. I need a bit more than 6,000 actually. That was really dumb. 6 times 100, wow. But 100 ticks I'm asking for. It has to be done. The thing is, if I lose, if slippage opens up and spread opens up, and I get hit 50 pips, and both accounts blow up. Can you pass bullocks in one trade? Yes. Yep. Random giveaway? Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it soon. I'll give one more account away very soon. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. But soon I'll be from Dubai. In potentially a month. I hope it in about a month. Be funny if there's hardly any movement. Yeah, that can happen as well. But even if that happens, I'll just hold the position. One of them has to blow or go. The good thing if there isn't a bunch of movement, at least I've got these. These are option 2, which is not trailing drawdown. It's a bit of a higher chance, but there's no chance. Like I said, there's literally basically a 90% chance both accounts blow up. 90%. That's fucking terrible odds. That's I should have just gone to the casino. What am I doing here? Hit the Ziz pose if you try. Only 50 pip tolerance. Yeah, I know. It's very rough, man. Let's measure how much does 100 pips look like just visually. I guess it's not that much. Maybe I could do 5 contracts instead. Should I do 5 contracts or 6 contracts? I think I'm going to do 5. 5.1. Besides NFP, what other news events would you avoid? All red folder news events. If you go to forexfactory.com and you see these red folder with the US dollar next to it, avoid. You avoid like 2 hours prior for NFP or higher volume CPI or anything like that. Just stay away from it. I'm only doing it for a bit of entertainment. And if the 10% chance is that I pass one of these accounts just by being a goose, and that's just funny. But I won't. They'll both blow. And you guys can laugh at my misery. 6. Fuck. Why don't you gamble at a real casino for real? Legit. All of the accounts, Kevin, Bullinox accounts, they're all Bullinox accounts. Any of you guys want 75% off these Bullinox accounts? This is the code. X5DMG, 75% off. There's not many discount codes out there at the moment, so this is good. It'll be gone in a couple of days. Balls to the wall. Harvest dance tears, bro. That's why I got the sunnies on to hide my tears. Down to Cairns account right now, bro. That's very accurate representation of what my accounts are about to become. With the slight probability that I come out victorious. Yeah. The probabilities are so low. It's not even funny. It's not even funny, man. This is more the reality, you guys. I'm getting nervous. Nearly 10 minutes. Palms are sweaty. Fuck, it'll be funny if one of them passed though. Don't you reckon that'll be hilarious? Then I'll be 900k funded. If I get funded 100k, then I'll just keep my 800k funded and I'll just keep full margin in this one during the funded stage. Because I don't deserve it. So I might be able to slither something out of it. Just blew my account. Should I buy a new one before NFP? Bro, don't trade 2 hours prior to NFP ever. Very bad idea. And if you buy another account, like I said, there's an 89% chance you will blow it if you try to gamble it on NFP. So it's up to you. Arms sweaty. Knees weak, arms are heavy. Mum spaghetti. Mummy spaghetti. Mummy Tory. There's no such thing as an advanced count, Kevin. It's Bullinox. Bullinox. Yep, the code's for Bullinox. I don't know about that code. The code that I've got is X5D MG. Bro, I don't know what NFP music. I don't know, man. I'm getting nervous, you guys. Do I have to do this? Do I really have to do this? This could be my account any minute. This could be my account any minute, you guys. Oh, fuck. New all-time high for NFP, bro. That's a fucking stretch. You think it's going to push freaking like 1,000 pips? $1,500 pips? Jesus, son, for good luck. Dude, okay, all for a while. Honestly, you think you're gonna win, Dan? Yes! That's what we need, some positivity. Yeah, bro, you know what? I'm actually gonna win this. Fuck that shit. I'm actually gonna win this. I've just decided. I'm getting funded 100k right here, you guys. And you guys are all doubting me this whole time. I'm about to get 500k over here. I mean, 100k. Definitely buying a funded IDK. Cheap one. Why don't we press buy and sell in one account and then both? That's the plan. But with 2 accounts. Yep, anything's possible. Why is it fun watching you gamble on NFP? Bro, so scary. That's why you get to live through my fear. There's real stakes on the line. If I don't win this trade, Mom, we're not eating for a week. Right? If I don't win this trade, I could be homeless. Guys, it's got this. Now drop a follow. Yeah, you guys have to drop a... Make sure you guys drop a subscribe if you're not already to the channel. Live every day during the London stream, trading the funded accounts. 800k funded accounts over here. I love the vibe and all the behind you. It's just new follow. Oh, glad to have you here. Again, this is just an entertainment stream. Comes around once a month. No, we can go full margin. Go full margin and see what happens. I don't like the odds. 89% chance that it blows. 11% chance that it wins. Bad odds, but hey. Anything can happen. Oh my god, okay, 8 minutes. Now lock in. Lock in. We've got to lock in. Where'd that bomb emoji go? Okay, it's gone. I'm actually getting nervous. Because last time I fucked this part up. Last time I fucked the order part up. Alright. No, I'm all good. Alright, so let me get this shit ready. I'm gonna do 55 per trade. 55. 55. This account's buys. This is my first NFP. Oh no. So this, if this is your first NFP, what can happen is the market there's 4 things that can happen, you guys. Either the market shoots up aggressively a lot. Either the market shoots down aggressively a lot. Third thing is either the market does both impulsively, so takes out buyers and sellers and everyone gets cooked. Or 4, just kind of sort of nothing happens and it's just like shit. So the higher probability is that it shoots up the first 3 options, but we'll see. Imagine those neighbors behind you sleeping, watching through the window. They're about to watch my tears. Nah, I mean 50. I'm trading 55 micros or minis, whatever. It's equivalent to 5 full contracts. 5.5. I'm gonna play sell stops on my NQ account. Fuck. I don't know. I'll do the giveaway at some point, after or before. Let me get this other account. The mark. Why is time ticking down so quick? Let's check Forex Factory here. Yep, look, the time has started, you guys. 6 minutes. 6 minutes, you guys. I'm about to piss my pants as well. Shit, I need to go to the toilet, but I can't leave. It's too nerve-wracking. MGC, make sure everything's good. Let me check this account thing again. 6,500 is auto-locked here. So when I enter, 6,500 will automatically be my take profit point. I might as well get the screens ready here. Let me open up the second screen. Your tears don't fall, they crash around me. Oh my days. Lord have mercy on my soul. Put 55 on this one. Again, the extraordinarily high probability outcome is they both just go bow bow. But it's all fun. It's all fun, man. You guys get to see me cry. You guys get to see me be homeless for the next 6 weeks after this. It's all good. My palms aren't sweaty, bro. It's all good. In the back of my mind. But how funny. Could you imagine if one of them passed? That would just be fucking hilarious. I think that'd just be funny. You know. Right, so this account is this one's a buy, this one's a sell. Homeless in Dubai, yeah. I guess it's a decent place to be homeless. Actually, I don't know. We got 4 minutes and 32 seconds. God. Hey, what the fuck? Why is this going 5? No, 55. Don't you dare. I got to make sure nothing trips me up here. This one's sell. This one's buy. 55. 55. 55 lots. Micros. You guys can see it here. 55 contracts. Micros. And it's all good, bro. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good, man. Why are you guys stressing? It's only 3 minutes here. It's all good. My heart rate hasn't increased. I don't know about your heart rate. My heart rate hasn't increased. It's all good. You gotta know when to hold when to fold. What country? Australia. Make sure you guys drop a follow. I'm live every day during the London stream, trading actually properly, but today's just a bit of entertainment. HR counter? What do you mean? There is a countdown on the screen. Why am I so excited? Oh. Like, last time I did this, you guys, they just both exploded. So it's just what happens. But there's a smidget. There's a small probability of it working out in your favor. Moment of truth, 4 minutes. Help! Billions and billions can be made. Full Port Friday, yep. FPF. It's all good. Thanks for entertainment, bro. Hope we get the template. Yeah, I'm suffering for you guys' entertainment. Suffering for you guys' entertainment. How long we got? Are we in the 1 minutes? 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Then the Terminator. I'll see if I can terminate these accounts. You know what? Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I'm subliminally putting it out there looking like Terminator because I'm about to terminate these accounts. Or I'm about to make billions and billions and billions and billions. So we'll have to wait and see. This is the buy account. And this is a sell account. This is MGC. This is the 100K buy account. Oh, I nearly fucked up. No. Okay, this is a sell account. I had to change it to the right account. Wow. See? I nearly fucked up already. How long we got on this candle? Let me go to the 15-minute time frame. See, that nearly fucked me up as well. Not on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. We've got 1 minute and 15 seconds. 1 minute and 15 seconds. I'm about to wee. I'm about to wee. This is a buy. The other one's a sell. This is a buy. The other one's a sell. Lock in. All right, lock in. All good. Lock in, chat. Yeah, I'll wait about 10 seconds before it hits, I think. Or 15. I'm about to blow up everything. Everything's about to blow. Fuck. See those impulsive moves? I'm hoping they don't take me out before the actual news hits. That's why you wait. God damn, there's a lot of volatility. Oh, no. No! No! I would have died anyway. You're kidding me, bro. Why did it not let me fucking take the order? I've got to get one of them. I've got to get one of them going. Why can't I do it? It's not letting me take the order. Bro, you can do 40 micros. Now I'm stuck with these two fucking accounts. Bro. Wow, I've got to take a trade. I've got to at least blow one of these accounts. Buy or sell? Which one? I've got to blow at least one of these accounts, bro. I've got to blow at least one of these accounts. Bro, that was fucked. I think because it's option 2, that's what it is. I usually only ever trade option 1. And option 2 must have a lower leverage amount. Wow. Unbelievable. Wow. Unbelievable. So I have to blow one of these accounts. I can't just keep 2 fucking accounts. I tried to place my order, but there's a limit on how much size you can put on. I've never used option 2. Option 2 doesn't allow you to use, obviously, too much size. So now I've got to try and blow one of these accounts. You can give it to someone? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Unbelievable. I think I would have been cooked anyway because it did spike up and down. Ariel, did you say you bought what? You actually made money there? That's funny. Yeah, so now we're in this fucking sketchy NFP trade right now where anything can happen. Now we're in this sketchy ass NFP trade where anything can happen. Oh my god, how fucking stressful is that shit? Never again. I don't know if I can do this again. It's too stressful. It's too fucking stressful. Come on, NFP. Make me rich. Get me out of this poverty, honestly. 200 ticks to pass? Is that really 200 ticks? Fucking hell. Get me out of this poverty, please. Yeah, it's 200 ticks to a T. Holy shit. Oh man, now I'm stuck in this NFP fucking trade. What's the probability that this wick isn't going to be retested? I don't know. I don't trade NFP. I don't know what happens on NFP. On stream for 4 hours just to miss it. Well, I'm in it now. Fuck me, I'm in it now. That's for sure. Bro, if this actually hits TP, that's the funniest shit known to man. You got to admit, that's funny. Really? You get 313, Ariel? That's hilarious. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Please hit. That'll just be so fucking funny. Please hit, young man. Oh, wow. NPC, did you actually? That's so fucking crazy. You guys are psychos. Oh man, I have a feeling I'm going to be stuck in this trade for ages. I do have a feeling I'm going to be stuck in this trade for ages, unfortunately. Close it? Nah, I would rather just blow it. I didn't come here to keep these accounts. I definitely didn't come here to keep these accounts, that's for sure. I definitely didn't come here to keep these accounts. Do it for the sensei. Yeah, come on. You got this. You got this. I definitely didn't come here to keep these accounts. What does these look like on the other time frames? Oh, wow. This looks good for a sell position. This almost looks good to go down on the 4 hour. But it's NFP, so who knows? You know, there's a lot of liquidity down here now. Why am I trying to do technical analysis on NFP? Fuck NFP. Close, you're up 2k. Nah, I honestly don't care if it blows. I didn't even come here. I didn't expect to even have these accounts by this point. I did not expect to even have these accounts. Tap me out at 1 pip. Nah, I'm trading Bullinox. Look at this. This might be my biggest stream ever in terms of numbers. 3,500 people. Do NQ next time? What did NQ do? Wow, NQ moved quite nicely, just in one direction. Nice. Interesting. A lot of the time when NQ goes up, gold goes down. So we'll see. We shall see. Where's 3k here? 3,000 is there. That's the below limit. Come on, buyers, man. All you buyers, just jump in. Fuck the sellers. Is anyone here trillionaire? Can you guys all buy? Move this shit up. Come on, bucko. Do it. You know you want to. But yeah, you can't deny there's a lot of fucking... There'd be a lot of... There's a lot of range here that you just can't deny would... Feels like it wants to be filled. Maybe not. I don't know. Try adding 30 more. Nah, you can't. This would be the max. I wouldn't even want to add because I feel like it kind of wants to go down and retest that level. It looks beautiful for sells on the 4-hour. Or maybe I could just press sell now. I don't really want these accounts, do I? Should I sell this other account? Should I sell this other account? All right, I'll do it. Fuck it. Take me on a ride. You guys, yes, sell, yes, sell. Yeah, fuck it. Phuket. Oh, nice choice there, Daniel. Very nice choice there. Can you guys drop a subscribe for my misery? Make sure you drop a subscribe to the channel for my misery. We trade normal every London session. I'm fucking exhausted, man. So emotional. Maybe I guess I'll open up this window so we can see them both. See who's going to win. It's like a horse race. Who's going to win? The buyers or the sellers? Oh, you can't really tell properly. Getting close to 12k. What do you mean, NPC? This is just unbelievable stuff. Don't blow them, bro. Give them one. Nah, it's too late now. Too late now, my bro. The buy account is in a buy right now, and the sell account is in a sell right now. Like, it's too late. Oh, did I just hit 12k subs? You guys, help me get to 12k subs here on TikTok, on YouTube. 12k subs and I get funded. This will be my first ever funded account. Imagine this is the first time you ever get funded like this. Just full fucking gamble in it. Oh wow, lucky I took sells maybe, I don't know. You know, if this wasn't if this wasn't the option 2 accounts, I'd be absolutely cooked by now. Like both accounts would just have blown up. Option 2 doesn't have trailing drawdown, it has end of day drawdown. What a stream, man. Holy shit. Thank God this is only once a month. Thank God this is only once a month. Is this buy account about to explode? Oh no, it's still got a little bit. Oh wow, this sell account's really dropping. Oh, fuck. What do you do for a living? Well, I trade NFP. Ah. Oh, look, this one just blew up. Damn, now we just have sellers in the game. Sell, you're our last fucking hope. Don't let us down. Let me see what the max loss limit is. Oh, it's still perfect. Bro, max loss limit. Oh, no. It's not. It's daily max loss limit. Okay. Sellers are last one in the game. Come on, Sell. You've got this, bucko. You're halfway there, son. And we've got the sellers in the race, and that seller's moving down and faster. Horse race. I wish it was every day, not once a month. Bro, it's too stressful, man. Oh, God. Hey Dan, what the hell is that fit? This is my NFP fit. The glasses that I hide the tears, and the jacket is to terminate my accounts like Terminator. You will pass a sell account though. I hope. That'll be pretty funny. That'll be an extremely funny turn of events. Come on, Melt Gold. Please. This is my only ticket out of this fucking world. I need this account. I need this account. Come on, push. Please push. Please, please, please. Nah, it's micro contracts. Yeah, I tried to enter with 50 initially, 55, but I didn't realize option 2 for these accounts doesn't allow you to do that. 30 must be the max for option 2. So here we are. No, Rick James, this is our NFP jacket now. Close a sell down? Definitely not. This sell is either hitting take profit or blowing up. This account has 2 options, take profit or explode. There is no other option. Right. Any FEGs? Yeah, damn it. There's only 2 options for this account. Take profit or explode. And, you know, I'll leave the rest up to God, I guess. I think we could push down here. Like, structurally speaking, I feel like there's a lot of liquidity here, a lot of naked range that needs to be filled. Even on the 4 hour, that's nice 4 hour structure. Like, I'm not going to lie. But I don't know if you can use market structure when NFP comes into play. I don't know if market structure means shit when NFP's in play. When's this first 15-minute candle? Oh, it's got a minute left. That's what I was saying. I was like, man, I'm going to be stuck in this trade for so long. I could just tell. And I can't fucking end the stream until either this account explodes, which is a higher probability, or it TPs. Like, realistically, I can't just leave. So we'll see what happens. Let's turn on the balance. Giveaway? Yeah, how are we going to do the last giveaway? That's the question. That's the real question. You should take profits and ride it back up. How do I know it's going to go back up though? Like, when it was down, I don't know if it could still continue going down. I'll just hold it. It either explodes or it fucking... Pick me. Oh my god, the world's longest stream. How long has this been? I don't even know. Oh my god, I made 74 fucking dollars on this stream from donos. That's unbelievable. I might as well buy a new challenge with that. That's so fucking funny. Dono's coming through with the goods. That's my payment for losing all my accounts. That is my payment. If I pass this challenge, if I pass this account, I can't wait to flex it on social media and pretend that I took a really serious trade. Everyone's sending their twerk. Yeah, that's how I pick the winner. Today. Nah, not today, shorts. This is late for me. I'll sort it out tomorrow. It's a weekend anyway. The market's about to close. Oh, guys, can I really stand here in this trade? Please just kill me or... Please just kill me or don't. Hog big is this account? What? Pass it 2 hours later, bro. I feel like that's legit. Can we change the buy now? Why? Just commit. Commit to one. You got to go all in this game. You got to go all in. One shot, one opportunity. You've only got one shot, one opportunity with NFP. Yeah, 100k account. 100. When is the time for a nap? Fucking 2 hours ago. But now I'm stuck in this trade, and what am I going to do? Walk away from it? I can't. I'm walking away from all my blown accounts. I'm walking away. Trying to find another account. Trying to find another way. When is the time for NFP? MC, what's up, my bro? Arms really, knees weak, arms heavy, very heavy. Knees are definitely weak from 4 hours of standing. Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, would you capture it or let it slip? I know I definitely wouldn't let it slip. So I've captured that moment. And what would most people do? They would quit here. They would say, oh, we're in. It's at my fucking entry point. Close it. No! You always double down when you're losing the trade. You know, when you're in massive drawdown, add to it. Add to that shit. I think you're cooked, bro. My brain's cooked. Sorry, guys. I've been doing this for 4 hours. My brain is absolutely cooked. But I'm not walking away. Come on, Gold. Are you really going to just dance around my fucking entry point, bro? That's why I said when I entered this, I'm like, bro, I think I'm going to be in this for a while. Oh. Stop profit, take loss. Yes, sir. Did you already do the 5K? Yeah, I've got one more account to give away. I don't know how I'm going to give it away, though. Yeah, you did delete her. Yep. Yep, that's true. I'd rather this account just blow up so I can just flee the scene. I'd rather this account just blow up so I can flee the scene. Mm. 4 hours, how many accounts flown? Legit, bro. Oh, we're just flipping here. Just take me out of my misery, Gold. Honestly, at this point. At this point, just do it. Yeah, NFP is just entertainment. It's if anyone actually takes this, I'm sitting here in a fucking leather jacket with sunglasses on at nighttime. This is clearly an entertainment stream. Like anyone that's like, there's people that have dropped in and they're like, this dude fucking this and that. I'm like, yeah, bro, I'm really trading serious. This is very serious trading. It has nothing to do with entertainment. Model 2, 30-minute setup. Yep. This is my Type 3 setup. Don't get it twisted. Don't sleep on the Type 3 setup. Yeah, I'm going to sell, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I'm going to sell. First NFP and I just got 300. I'm so happy. Bro, don't let that happiness get you to freaking participate in NFP. Trust me, it will burn you more than it will freaking kiss you. Trust me, brother. This is from a recovering NFP addict. I think the best way to pick the next winner is get your stream up on the phone and scroll really fast through comments. Yeah, that might be a good idea. 30-minute closes below that level you're going to buy? Oh, shit. I hope not. Bro, I've been driving a truck today following this NFP bonanza. Can't stop laughing, mate. Well worth it. Nice, bro. I'm glad I was able to give you a bit of entertainment. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, this is Type 64 setup. Yep. Withdraw it to use it before it burns it. Now, I'm either burning this bitch to the ground or I'm taking it to heaven. Recovering NFP addict. Love when they think you're serious. Yeah, I know. It's funny. It's like, come on, man. Oh, Lord. Lost it all, bro. That's going to happen on NFP. It's essentially just gambling. It's a bad way to gamble as well. It's a very low probability gamble. Yeah, it's a very low probability gamble as well. So, I mean, look at it. It's gone up, down, back up. Like, that's terrible gamble. What's NQ done? Oh, wow. I should have just fucking traded NQ. I would have been sweet. I would have been funded right now. You guys sabotage me. You guys straight up sabotage me. Quick switch to buys? Never. I live by the sword and die by the sword. I'm loyal to my positions. I'm fucking loyal to my positions. Meaning I hold them until every trade I take, I hold until the entire account explodes. The daily looks so disgusting. Best entertainment live stream I've ever watched for NFP. Thanks, bro. Thanks. It's at my expense, but I'm glad that you got a bit of entertainment. So, you know, now I'm stuck in this really fun trade. How to take partials? Brother, all you got to do to take partials is if you're in a buy position of 10 and you want to take off half of that, you just sell 5. Right? If you're in 10, you sell 5. If you're in 5 buys, if you're in 5 sells, you buy 5. Right? You just do the opposite. The only reason I've traded NFP is to have a runner in profit. Yeah, like at the end of the day, you guys, whenever you trade NFP, it's a complete gamble. You just have to accept that fact. Right? I'm doing this for entertainment purposes. Obviously, I'm willing and don't give a shit if both these accounts blow up, like at all. Not even the slightest bit of phased. Like I'll sleep like a baby. I won't even think about it again. Right? So you never want to really participate in NFP if that's not the case. Like it's just straight up gamble, and it's a bad gamble. It really doesn't work out in your favor very much. It goes up and down a lot, and so no worries, David. We should all buy. No, Harpreet, no, naughty. I don't think that's a good idea, because otherwise you're just like me. You're sitting here like a degenerate with one blown account and the other one fucking at break even. You know, your entry will turn into a support level. Who are the winners of the giveaway accounts? Well, what do you mean? Just people, I guess. I've got their number. I've got their shit on my phone. What does a 5-minute look like? Can we entry sell? I mean, if you want. Yes, 15. Flip red. Come on. Fuck all these buyers, man. Just sellers. Take them all out. Off with their head. NFP is not what it used to be. Some years ago, I used to be insane. I don't know. I guess, yeah, you are kind of right, actually. That is actually an interesting point. But NQ seemed to do exactly what NFP used to do. If you look at NQ, it looks fucking... This is what NFP used to do quite a lot a few years ago. Just that. Push in one position and kind of hold that position. Maybe I should... I was about to say, maybe I should start switching to NQ for NFP as if I'm like a regular NFP gambler. I think we'll be here for another 4... Bro, I don't want to be here for another 4 hours. Please, trade. Just kill me or revive me. I don't know, man. Just do one of them. The 5th account's rigged. US 30 exploded as well. Yeah. I mean, yeah. Look, this hour's about to close. Hopefully we get a bit of volume once this hourly candle closes. This will be a 30-minute and shit as well. When's a 4-hour close in an hour? Oh, is this a 4-hour closer on Forex? Yes, it's a 4-hour close on Forex as well. Hopefully we get a bit of volume here. Don't you think these are a bit sus, man? This perfect trend here. This is a bit sus. Gold doesn't like trend lines. It likes to really punish trend line traders. So hopefully we can get that level kind of push through. With the Forex 4-hour candle. I'm doing technical analysis on NFP, but yeah, we'll see. Add to a bro. Nah. That will make it go one way quicker. Nah, I'll just hold it. It's not that far. Like, when's NFP over? It's, well, the actual impulse event has already happened. Now we're getting the aftermath, and we'll see if it wants to push. Should we also help Daniel position? Yeah, do it. Jokes. But yeah, good, funny stream. I made $70 here. Make sure you guys drop a subscribe. I do live stream here every day, seriously, like in normal on the funded accounts, but make sure you guys drop a subscribe. Wick fill on this 4-hour open. Let's pray. Let's pray for a 4-hour wick fill. You reckon gold will continue to push down? All right, I like your analysis there. I'll go with that. I like your analysis. How many pips am I really trying to squeeze out of this biatch? Just casually 200 pips I'm expecting to get. Bro, I need a funded. Yeah. Well, the account's not funded. It's that you still have to pass the account, so hit the like button, guys. Yeah, smash that like button for my misery, you guys. Help a brother out. It's the only way I'm going to feel better about myself after these accounts explode. What's the prop firm I'm using? Bullinox. The prop firm I'm using is Bullinox. Yeah, this other account exploded. All right, this 4-hour closed in 5 seconds. Highest like stream? I think so. It's also my longest though. Nearly 4,000 people here in total, which is probably my biggest. Trust gold will hit your take profit. I hope. Come on, gold. You've got this, bucko. Fuck these buyers. Take them out. Take out the buyers. Bullinox FX trader. It's well, not gauged by your name that you trade Forex. It's not, it's a futures prop firm. Yeah, but this 4-hour candle doesn't have a bottom wick, so I mean a top wick, so it's probably still gonna make a top wick. Look at this 4-hour closure here on gold. I mean, it's not like it engulfed any of this shit, which is a bit sus, but we'll see. I really like your confidence, damn. You're even smiling. Yeah, I don't care about this. Is nothing. This doesn't mean shit. Yeah, it's all good. You can do it. Come on, gold. Guys, if this starts to go up and dance around, I don't know if I can continue the stream, but I just feel bad. I feel like I need to finish it, even if it takes all night. Like, there'll be like 2 viewers left, but it's like I can't just walk away while I'm in the middle of this whole... This was the whole purpose of the stream. There'll be like 2 people left. I made 400 fake money Y on NFP so far. Might melt. Higher lows might melt. Fuck. Never back down. Yeah. I'm not a quitter. When you're in drawdown, you double down. Sleep stream for Dan. Oh, shit. No, you're getting paid even if it's just 74. Yeah. I used to make like, if I had my monetization on, I would have made a couple hundred from this stream. Easily. But I turned monetization off for the viewer experience. I didn't want you guys to have to go through ads randomly. I have 1 more giveaway to do. Yes, not 2. 1. Gold, just push, bro. Fuck all these buyers, man. Gold necklace. Bro, you can't just keep saying that, because at the end of the day, bro, you're going to blow the account. If you needed the account that much, it means that you're a relatively new trader. And I know it's fun and cool and you think about the possibilities, but like, you know, statistically 95% of traders just fail accounts. Give them ads, bro. I got premium. Nah, I can't, because not only some people have premium. I feel bad, but it would equate to about, you know, like a couple hundred a week, which is pretty cool considering I just do this anyway. Like, I'll take a couple hundred a week, but nah. Feel bad. Maybe. I don't know. Nah, I won't. Yeah, we'll see. If this doesn't do anything in 10 minutes, I'm going to have to just like, I don't know if I can continue streaming. Or I'll keep the stream running and just fucking go away and do whatever I want to do in life. Go eat. Yeah, you can typically use stop orders, but you're still going to get slipped like 40 pips. Regardless of what broker you use, you're still going to get slipped a ton. No matter what broker you use. I guess this is advertising to get people in your community to grow. Yeah, this is my gambling advertisement. Come into the community, join in. You just press buy or sell. But yeah, this is the Discord. If anyone wants to join the free Discord, the link is in the chat. The link is in the chat. Pinned in the chat. Yeah, I'll give this candle, I'll let this 15 close and see what happens. And I don't know. I've been literally standing for 4 hours. How do I know how long this stream's gone for? I guess it doesn't tell you. Oh yeah, it is nearly 4 hours. Wow. Alright, I'm slowly stripping. Slowly stripping over here. NFP is the only day and every single person in the world starts. God, yeah. You guys gonna donate more? He's tripping. Oh fuck. You can take profit now and then continue as normal days go past the challenge. No, I don't need to pass any more challenges. I already got 800k funding. It's just for entertainment. It's really for you guys, just for a bit of fun. Just something to do on a Friday. And if it passes, then cool, I'll just add it to the fucking... I'll add it to the, what do they call a group of cows? Wow. See what happens when you stand here for 4 hours? Cattle. Yeah, add it to the group of cattle. Hello, boss. How's your day? Fuck, where do I start, bro? Where do I start? Yeah, cattle. Where do I start? If you guys don't, okay. Yeah, we took a nice trade on these funded accounts. I'm up quite nice on some of these, but we took a nice trade with Seth and stuff like that in the mentorship during the Asia stream. Oh, is it called a herd? Why did I say cattle? Ah. Herd of cattle. Yeah. Yeah, gold boiled you to the point of taking off a leather jacket. Legit. All the anxiety is just like, it's just got too much. When's this? Did that 15-minute clock? No, it's still open. Oh my God. This 15 minutes going to be my deciding factor on whether I can continue. I'm only funded with Bull and Ox. I'll probably be funded with Prop XP soon. Or they're giving me some accounts to trade. But Dub Mentorship. Thanks, brother. Glad you're loving it, bro. Yeah, a lot of you guys are making really good progress in the mentorship, which is amazing to see. Wait, Trades Meow, you're in the mentorship? What's your Discord name? I'm waiting for the 4 hour, the futures 4 hour, yeah. 50 minutes, yeah. I guess this is making a top wick on the Forex 4 hour now. All right, I'm going to do this last giveaway and then I'm going to jump off you guys and just let this trade run in the background. Yeah, I'm going to do that right now. So let me jump into the thing. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to randomly scroll up and down. I'm just going to scroll up and down for a little while. Look at you guys going fucking wild with the W's. I'll just keep scrolling up and down. 3, 2, 1. Boom! First name, Joel Joes. Joel Joes. Joel Josie. Joel Josie, you win. Let me write your name down. Dub Joel. I don't know if I'm saying, I'm completely butchering your name, but W to you. There you are. Joel Josie. Yep, W. I'll write your name down here and I'll contact you. Or you contact me, please. Just send me a DM on any social media account. On any of my social media account. I'll write your name down here. W to you. You guys, I'm going to jump off. I love you guys. Been a 4-hour stream. Holy fuck, I'm stressed and exhausted. I'm just going to let this run in the background. You guys will know if I either blow up or not. Let's see where 3,000 is. So if price pushes above this 15-minute support here, I'm dead. If it comes down here below these wicks or fills this wick here to the left, I win. So you'll know if I win or lose. But yeah, love you guys. I'll see you on Monday for the actual London stream and we get back at it. Make sure you drop a subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thank you.